So, anyways, wait for a couple people to jump online here, man. How's everybody this morning? Oh wow, we're up to almost we're cracking around 4% here, guys. Yeah, already. Yes, and we got 5 minutes till market opens. We just cracked over 4%. We're smashing off on one of my trend lines right now, $31.17. Good morning, brother. How you doing? You were here last night, weren't you? New Jersey. Cool. We'll just wait for some more people to get on here. And I'm just gonna give me a minute. I always set up everything in the morning, guys. It takes me about a minute. We're just gonna set some stream keys up here, and we're gonna jump on in this. We're gonna dive on into the market, man. We definitely have some good insight. Oh, hey, the whole market's green right now in pre. So what we'll do is, Dan, how you doing, bud? Dominique. Hang on, guys. I'm just setting up some software here. And then we're going to jump on in there. Jump right on in, man. It looks like a good day today. What was I doing? I got all sidetracked here. I know what I was doing. Just give me a second. I always set up everything this morning. For the new guys, my OGs know the rule that what I do is we always do this. I take about a minute to 2 minutes to set everything up, and then we dive on in there, man, like a bunch of pros. And I'm gonna go through a bunch of stuff how I trade today for all you newbies on the channel, which there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, just had to set my phone up there so in case we get messages from Reddit or anything like that. Oh, okay, I'm just waking up. Okay, I'm all ready to go. I've been awake for a while. I'm just bugging you guys. M6MT, what's up, brother? Good morning. You're up early. You're up. Oh, we got an OG on here. We got an OG to the channel. So when I say to the new guys, when I say OG, that just means like somebody that's been a subscriber for a while on my channel. I call them OGs. Or OG, if I say OG, what it will mean to the new people is somebody that owns the stock in January and February and March. Those are original shareholders, which there's nothing between synthetics. I just want you to go, we all get paid the same. We all get paid the same. And it doesn't matter if you're not an OG, man. You'll eventually be one. It's all good. Because I have a photographic memory when it comes to stuff. That's why I'm a deadly trader. So, Ken, good morning. Andrew, good morning. Everybody's just flocking in here this morning. Awesome stuff. Awesome stuff. I had to slow down my chat from yesterday. It was getting crazy here. My throat's... Sorry, guys. My throat is hurting from the live stream last night. I was on for almost 3 hours. You guys should go back and watch it if you haven't watched it. Killer stuff. We ripped it up. We had some drinks last night. We just ripped the shit right up, man. We had some good stuff. It's just my throat's hurting a little bit, so if I'm coughing today like that, sorry about that, guys. Okay, we got 1 minute till the bell cranks. So, good morning, everybody. Oh, everybody, and thanks for your subs. I really appreciate it. Our channel has grown substantially in the last week here, and I owe it all to you guys. And I'm just the broadcaster. I keep on telling you guys that. You guys built the channel, okay? So we got some cool stuff we're going to go through. We're going to go through dividend stocks this morning. I've had a lot of feedback on that. A lot of people want to know what they're going to do with their money. This is what I'm doing. I can't legally tell you what to do. This is not financial advice. This is only entertainment purposes on this channel. We all know that, as the ticker below says it. Okay, we got 10 seconds until bell rings. Okay, let's blow this up a bit here. Pull this over here. Market just... Oh, we're almost... I'm set to the bell. Okay, guys? Oh, the bell just opened right now. We're about 2 seconds ahead of the bell. There we go. Market just opened. Okay, we're at 5 point... Okay, what happens? I don't know. All my subs, the OGs, know how the system works because I've been on the stock market for a long time. What is happening is all these platforms are dumping right now. It can go in two different ways. Okay, things like Webull, Fidelity, Amtrade, TD. These platforms on your phones, people that buy orders at nighttime, right? Sorry, guys. Damn. These things will dump. So what the pros do is they don't buy in the morning, after hours. You buy when the market opens, okay? Or else you're gonna get stung. There's a 90% chance you'll get stung, okay? Here we go, 8%, 9%. Oh man, look at this go. We haven't seen this in a while, but we don't get really excited for the first hour. If we see some action in the first hour and it's still going, then we got some good news, okay? Because usually you'll get a pullback. And I hope it doesn't, of course. I have a huge stake in this too, right? Same as you guys, man. I'm just, I'm all about education. See that we're getting a pullback now. See? It's because the apps have already, they're starting to level out now. They've dumped. And you can tell with this market cap, guys. If you go up on the corner of the screen, if this market cap, here's you can tell if it's just speed trading or not, is this market cap will go up. See how notice it's at 16, 28, 29, it goes back to 27, 26, back. That's just them back trading, okay? That there's nothing being sold. There's nobody selling, okay? See, we're starting to level out now. So I hope we get a good push here. We're just going to see what happens after these apps dump. And within about an hour, that's why I personally don't, and we got one of my trend lines at 31.17. See, I knew we were going to have problems holding through that 31.17. Those are not pivot points. This has nothing to do with the scanner that I'm using. These are my own trend lines. We make our own trend lines on this channel. We don't follow other channels, other evidence. I'm smart enough to make my own judgments on the stock market, okay? See, if you would have bought in the morning, before I told you that, you would have already lost. You would have already lost $1,000, a couple $1,000 if you would have put 10 grand in, just like that. Okay. So I never buy until the market stabilizes. Okay. We're back down to 3%. You would have lost out of 10 grand. You would have lost $3,000 so far. Just like that. That's how you lose money. I've been stung 3 times until I figured it out. Buying after hours. And mostly on AMC, but I did it on 3 other stocks. I was down 20. I'm still down 20 grand on those stocks. Okay, I will hold those until I die. Those will be passed on to my kids if I die before that until it goes up. And they're on lithium stocks, so they might stabilize. And I am always very transparent on here. Free, what's up? What's up? Free's in the house, everybody. So anyways, yeah, that's what we talk about on this channel to minimize your of getting stung. Okay. And we're going to go through a couple things today. Today's a little bit of an education period. Okay, so I'm going to go through some stock like I always do, and then we're going to jump into some little bit of schooling here. Okay? Okay, we're not going to, I wanted to point something out. I do not support this whatsoever, and if it was me, I would stay the hell away from it. Robin Hood. I wanted to show you guys how it dove. Okay, it's a false BS trading platform. Stock, okay? Notice how it went up. Now it's down. It's dropping like a knife. Okay, it's because nobody ever bought into it, okay? They pushed it themselves, okay? Now people are, they can't hold their money in there forever, so they're starting to pull their money out, right? And that's why it's dropping, okay? It's down 10%. If you would have invested in that, it was at 70%. It'll probably never see $70 a gain. Okay, and if it does, it's just being pushed by the owner, Vlad. Anyway, with that name, man, stay away from him. Okay, anyways, we all know Robin Hood. They're the enemy. Okay, stay away from it. There, it's already down 10% this morning. Okay, I'm gonna bump off that because I don't even want people seeing that on there. I'm very ashamed for even putting that on my channel. Okay, so. What is going on here? Okay, let's get to our stocks. Okay, let's put this back here. Our stocks, what we cover. This is a pump and dump. This XELX was a pump and dump. I just put it on there because I like to monitor it and to show you guys what a pump and dump looks like and to stay away from that crap. Okay, so everything else is leveling out. We're about a 3/4 in the green right now. Okay, we're going to go through some Canadian stocks just because this channel's worldwide. Okay, there's people from all over the world on this, and I am Canadian, so I go through my own stocks too. We cover every stock in Canada and the States. Okay, we do not cover forex on here. Okay, Suncor Energy is our main energy sector. There's 3 in Canada. That's one of them. It's at $23.92. It's negative 3.35. Pays a dividend. Okay, we're going to go through dividend money to when we cash out, how we don't have to pay all this taxes and to reap multiple streams of income. We're going to get, that's one of our lessons today. Good morning, Billy. Good morning, guys. Okay, Free, I'll get to your question in a second, my friend. I'm just going to go through my readings here. Okay, we're going to Loop Energy, which is a hydro fuel company out of Chilliwack, British Columbia, which is about an hour from my house, is down. It's at $5.50, and it just broke par. That I would... I want to invest in it. I'm waiting on that one. Okay, this is our main aviation sector, Air Canada. It's at $24.08. It just broke. It's at par right now. We're not in the red. We're not in the green. It is 40% off right now. Okay, it will be stabilizing. Okay, this is one of the marijuana stocks here in Canada. It's a CGC Canopy Growth. It's at $18.51. It's 1.26 in the green today. Now we got Sundial. Everybody knows Sundial, man. Sundial is out of Alberta, Canada. So it's SNDL. They're at 0.79. They're at 2.34 in the green. We're gonna jump over this lithium stock. That's one of the ones I got stung on. So we're not gonna do that. MVIS, Microvision. Microvision is giving her today, guys. It is on the leaderboard today. It's at, let's just jump and have a look at this baby. Okay, it's at $14.10. Okay, we're 15.55% in the green right now, guys. Good for all the MVISs. Okay, this thing could possibly squeeze too. Okay, so we will be sending notifications out for any stock that does a squeeze. Okay, that's what this channel is about. I can't tell you when to sell, and you guys ahead of time, if you ask on the message board, what do I think this stock's going to go to, I can't answer those questions. Okay, if you guys answer questions on there, I can go yep, or I can just, if you guys have to talk between yourselves, I can't legally do that. The laws in Canada, it's called coercion. It is 7 years in jail. Okay, I'm just going to give you a very clear on our laws up here. Okay, so we're going to cover BlackBerry. BlackBerry's sitting par. BlackBerry's out of Quebec, Canada. Very, very good company. It is on sale right now. Why is it closed? That's weird. It's closed right now. Huh, that's weird. I've never seen that before. The market's open right now and it's closed. Maybe there's a breaker. It should say suspended though. But anyways, I'll look into that later on. Okay, we got a sell off on crypto right now. Crypto's down. Remember last night I told everybody that I'm staying away from crypto. This is why. We've been covering crypto. We just touch on it. We only go on it for educational purposes. Okay, crypto, I covered it and I called it 2 days before the thing crashed. Everything went down 50%. It still has not recovered. Okay, I called that. I already knew. Crypto's the easiest thing to liquidate. Okay, especially when a stock squeezes. MSAVE, GME, BlackBerry, COS, Workhorse, all those meme stocks, which BlackBerry's not a meme stock. I don't care what anybody says. It's from my country. It's been around way before millennials. Okay, so anyways, and BlackBerry holds more stock than AMC, if you believe that one. Okay, way more. Okay, so I just wanted to go into that about crypto a bit here, and then this is the start of our education period a bit. Okay, because I had a lot of questions on crypto, and I just got offered sponsorship this morning from a crypto mining company to actually they reviewed my channel. Okay, well, our channel, sorry guys, no disrespect, our channel, and they want us to it's a bank trading platform. They want to pay the channel for us to sponsor them, to put their logos up on my board. Okay, I'm not going to make that decision. You guys are, because I don't give a shit about the money. Okay, I'd be doing super chats if I was into money. Okay, and I'm not into. I class that as a kind of a ripping you guys off to talk to me. You just kind of got to wait your turn on this channel sometimes to talk. But yeah. So anyways, let's get into crypto. Crypto is one of those things right now that is easy to liquidate. Okay, you can do it within seconds. You can get rid of it. You can buy it back. You can buy it on any exchange up there except through banks. In the States, maybe a little bit different. Up here, you can't buy it in a bank. Okay, bank do not recognize it. Ellison, good morning. I'm just going to say good morning to everybody on the chat bar. I'm not going to answer any questions yet. I'm just going to say good morning till I'm done my spiel. It's just we've gotten very busy on this channel in the last week here. Okay, guys? It's just how we have to do it. Okay? And I'll be going in order with the messages. Okay, so the crypto thing is I'm speaking for myself when I say that, guys, to all of my new members, and thank you very much for joining the channel. What it is we're going to when I say I'm going to tell you a story about myself, or I speak to myself, you guys got to think outside the box on that one, okay? The laws in Canada are different than any other parts of the world, okay? They do have freedom of speech, but there's also coercion that is attached so close to it, and it's a substantial amount of jail time. They don't fine you, they put you in jail here. So, good morning, Felix. So, anyways, what you guys are like wondering, how the hell did he know that before it came up on the chat bar? Because I have a faster link on my phone here in front of me. I got you covered multiple ways, guys. I got alarms set all over the place in case we go into a squeeze on a different channel while we're broadcasting. I got multiple computers and screens set up all over my studio. And we'll go for a tour one day in my studio here. I'll show you my trading studio. You guys are going to trip. Okay, so anyways, we're going to get on to crypto here, and then we're going to get into some dividend stocks and how to protect yourself and how to make multiple millions off of $1 million. Okay, within the year, you can flip your $1 million into multiple millions of dollars, and you're cutting down your percentage of taxes. Okay, we're going to get into that later today. And that applies for all over the world, okay? It's just that you got to check the laws because they're different in every country and state and province, okay? Provinces up in Canada, we have provinces, okay? So, crypto is, yeah. So the hedgies and the banks and these big institutions, this is why if you own crypto, I do own some crypto. I only own $25 of Ethereum. Okay, it's nothing, okay? It's nothing, okay? But I'm just saying that if it was me, I wouldn't be buying right now, okay? And I know it looks like it's on sale, but you're going to get stung, okay? I know that Lou is like, oh, crypto. I'm a little bit different, and yes, we're friends. We do talk, okay? He's a little bit different. He's on to his next play. I kind of want to keep people on my channel grounded. I know a lot of you have money invested. I don't want you to spread yourselves really thin. I'm just going to put this back onto AMC for you guys so you can watch it. See what I said? I called that. See, we were at 9%, and I said, whoa, you would have lost a lot of money this morning if you would have bought and nobody told you. I wasn't telling you not to buy, but I was saying if it was me, I would not buy. You would have got stung. Out of 10 grand, you would have lost 3 grand just like that. Okay? So I'm all about education on here, and I'm very transparent. Okay, so let's get back into the crypto here. And then we're going to jump in. I'm going to answer some questions. Good morning, Andy. How you doing, brother? So, all my OG subs know, they're kind of like, oh, he's going through the crypto spiel again. Damn. Maybe I should come back later on. No, I got to do it, guys. I just got to do it. And sorry about the original subs here. Just bear with me. We got a lot of new people. We're just going to get everybody up on speed here, and then we're going to go through a little bit of schooling today, and I will answer some questions for you. Okay? So, anyways, so yeah, that's my take on crypto, and this fly on my table is going to piss me off today. I don't want to smack him because then I'll hit the mic. But anyways, so Jeff, how you doing? Jacksonville. In the bill. Right on. That's awesome. So, anyways, guys, so that's my take on crypto. I do own it, like I said, and don't mind me repeating myself sometimes too. I'm just waking up too. It's only my first cup of coffee. So, if it was me, outside the box, you got to think, right? Reverting to yourself. I would not, if it was me, I would not sell crypto if you're holding a big pocket or a big wallet full of it. I would just kick back and relax and enjoy your squeeze, okay? And think about things afterwards, okay? On that take there, if it was me, I would not be buying any right now. I'd concentrate on one thing. Whatever you have your eyes on, your target, crosshairs on something, go for it. Okay? I'm just trying to teach you what a professional trader does. Okay? They don't spread themselves thin all over the place. Okay? Even hedgies don't. Okay? And what was else I was going to say? And I know I say okay lots. A couple of people called me on it. It's because I'm Canadian. Okay? No, I'm just joking. And we always say a lots. Okay? So, what else was I going to say? So, yeah, just kick back on the crypto thing, guys. You do whatever you want. I do not tell you what to do, and we're not going to put you down if you went and spent $100,000 on crypto today. That's your call, but I just know what's going to happen. I've called every decline on crypto going. It's just that it's easy to judge. It's the first thing that they're going to liquidate, and they already hit it once. They're going to liquidate all the crypto, and that's called a fire sale, okay? The government is worried about a fire sale. Spartan, hey, how's it going? Good morning. You got the same amount of shares as me, Spartan. Around the same. We're like within fractions of each other. Welcome, multimillionaire. And everybody that owns like 200 shares and stuff, hey, it's all good. Kick back and enjoy. I'm going to show you, if you only get hundreds of thousands out of it, I'm going to show you how to make $1 million in the first couple years off of that money. Okay? So, anyways, I'm going to start answering some questions. Yeah, it does. It takes a while to build, my friend. Free here has, I'm going to answer his question. Free US, he's an OG on our channel. And the thing is Joe, good morning, brother. He is adding to his thing. He just doubled down yesterday. Okay. He started with a very small amount, and now he just put himself in the millionaire bracket now. Okay. I don't know how many shares he's at, but he's doing really good. Really good person. Okay. He's definitely coming to Mexico, and a bunch of you are when we have our party in Mexico. Every year we usually do it. We get a rent a section of resort, and all of the traders come there. We go for 2 weeks, and you guys pay for your own tickets, but everything there it's just unreal. We do live trading on a big screen TV. We have a bit of a seminar. I'll teach you guys some trading, hands-on stuff. I'm not a ticketed trader though, okay? So I shouldn't say teach, because I'm not teaching. I'm showing you what I do, right? It's a loophole around it, so I can't get in shit. But it is what it is, right? I'm not telling you guys what to do. I'm just showing you what I do, right? And if you want to use it, you can use it, right? So anyways, I'm going to go through some things. I'm going to call you HP, okay? You know who's proud, okay? Okay, so I'll answer some questions. I'm going to work my way down the board, okay? Okay, Free had a question here. No, just wait. Some talk about AMC. Okay, I'll start at the top here. Okay, Andrew had a question here talking about some AMC FTDs for the next week. Any thoughts on that? No, I don't have anything on that, man. Nothing yet. Nothing yet, my friend. We're waiting for these new laws to come in. Okay, they're not laws, they're proposals. Okay, there's 5 to 6 steps. I think we're on our 4th step right now to 6. It's going in front of a judge. It's already been voted on by the DTCC, whatever it is, and the SEC. They've already voted. It's been passed through the chair. Okay, then it goes out to the public. Okay, which we've already seen it. Then it goes in front of a judge to look for loopholes and to get all the legal aspects signed. Then it goes in front of the president. The president signs it, or president's secretary signs it. Then it's law within minutes. Okay? As soon as he pulls that pen off the paper, even before that ink's dry, it's a stamp now, I think. But anyways, before it's even dry, his electronic signature, it's law. So within that next day, the next business day, it is official law. So it's going to take about 4 to 6 weeks for that to happen. Okay, they got to push on this, thank God. So I think things that we got, Monday is a big day for AMC. We have our queue. All the monies, we're going to see how much money they brought in. Yes, they've smashed it. We already know they've smashed it. See, guys, now we're just at par. You would have lost 8% of your money this morning on AMC. Okay, guys? You got to be careful of that stuff. Don't worry, within a couple days, you guys will be pros. So, what else was I going to say about that? Failure to delivers. So, yeah, that's what my take is on it. A lot of people have different other takes on it. I've done a lot of DD on it. Everybody keeps on asking, when's it going to squeeze? When's it going to squeeze? How long does it take the average person to become a millionaire? 99.9%, because there's only 1%ers, don't become millionaires. Okay? Legitly. I'm talking with not owing money to the bank. Anybody can go buy 10 houses and say they're like multi-millionaires, but they're not really. The bank owns it. Okay, so most people never see that kind of money. Okay, so if it takes a year and you become a millionaire, you just did it like 80 times faster. Okay, so the failure delivers. They are due next week, free, and I hope it goes to the fucking Pluto, to the moon, wherever you want to stop. I'm going to Pluto, so whoever's on getting off at Pluto, they can get off there. We'll stop. We'll stop and let you guys off. But I've been using the Pluto saying before the fart father did. Okay, so I don't know. He stole my wording. So anyways, I'm just going to go back up here. I'm just joking. I'm not bagging on anybody. I'm not going to be like him. I'm just joking. I'm trying to get you guys laughing this morning. Okay, folks, for free, I answered your question, my friend. And Monday's a monumental day, but we've had that in the past, and it only pushed it up 5-10%, okay, on AMC. Their earnings come in. I hope, I'm not being Mr. Negative here, but I'm just going off of last statistics. We've already had 15 of them or 10 of them happen, okay? But this is a bigger one. Things are more open now. We'll see what happens. I hope it kicks it into a gamma. Because if we hit a gamma, we already hit a gamma, and AA already collapsed it. We would have already squeezed. We were on our way. Within another hour to 2 hours, we would have been in a full squeeze, okay? But it is what it is. I just disagree what he did. I think that he should have dropped little bits of shares in, and we wouldn't even noticed it. But he just had to drop the 70 million. He got greedy, right? And screwed us all over in my eyes. But it is what it is. I don't hate the guy, okay? He's a CEO, and he looked after his company. So you got to look at it from that angle, okay? I disagree what he did. Just because I want my money. So, anyways, okay, Billy. Did we file all the gaps for AM? Did we fill all the gaps on AMC? I don't understand what you're saying, Bill. I don't understand what you're saying, Billy. Okay, I'm going to jump on to the next question. Hit the chat bar at the bottom, Bill. Big Sal. How does a stock go from 32 to 30 in less than 1 minute? It's called a ladder attack, my friend. And now we're going down even lower. What it is a ladder attack. They're vaulting the stocks. They're not letting them in. We're playing with synthetics right now. These aren't real shares. Okay, I have videos on it. I was putting that out before Lou was. And then I got slammed from people on there. And I just kind of and kept my mouth shut on it. There's videos if you go back in the archives there and have a look. In my videos, when I say archives, that means into my podcasts. You can look at all this stuff. When I say fact check me, just go back to this stuff. I've covered a lot of stuff that other people have tried to talk about, and I've gotten shut down, and nobody would listen, right? But now that we've gotten some popularity, and other channels have actually borrowed my content and played it, which I'm cool with. My content can be reused. That's why it says reusable, right, on it, because I still get all the rights for it, right? I don't care if another YouTuber uses my content, as long as they don't change anything in it, or else they'll get copy striked. Okay, so that's how that happens, and it's called frequency trading, my friend. Big S. So that's what that is. Don't worry about it. Dark pool numbers have hit $9,000 today. That's today. Okay, they're at 8,000, 810, 810 last week. They're at about 9,000 this week. Okay, I know it means nothing to us because it's not factually there, but it actually, once these laws get straightened out, things will change, guys. And I'm not promising on anything because I'm not government. I'm not the president, okay? Or else I could promise you something on that. You have to remember, I'm speculating the same as you guys, but I've used a lot of information. Okay, I'm an information gatherer, and I put it on to you guys. I wean out 98% of it's crap. Okay, and I sift through it, and then if I think it's worth broadcasting, I'll broadcast it. Okay, I don't like putting junk out there. Okay, and I'm not saying I'm perfect. I've messed up too, right? But I will correct it and come on there and correct it if I find there's a problem. Okay, all the good mornings I'm not going to read through, but good morning to everybody new on here. I'm just going through all the messages here. I'm tapped at 970. We already covered that one. Spartan, good for you. That's awesome, brother. It took me a while to build. Yes, yeah, it does. Joe, 240. Awesome, buddy. Awesome. Welcome to the channel. There's nothing wrong with that, my friend. Good. You should be proud that you own 240, my friend. And if you own 10 shares, you should be proud. We're a different type of channel here, guys. Okay, do you think the government will make the hedge funds cut a deal? That I don't know, because that's speculation. I could see something like that happening. They kind of are. They're kind of saying that, hey, your Tesla stocks and in your pretty much your house, we'll hold on to it for you and we'll give you a cash advance as long as it's a ticket paid towards that. They're not going to hand them cash. It's going to be a direct transfer to the stock exchange. Okay, it's just going to be a transfer like taking your house papers. Your car registration papers or your green pink slip, whatever you call it, right? Your ticket there and giving it to somebody else and saying you owe me money. I'm going to hold on to it. It's kind of like an IOU. And I think it's a really good idea. That's the only way I think we're going to get paid, guys. Okay. Okay, next question here. Wagner. I can't pronounce your first name. No disrespect, my friend, but Wagner I'll call is good enough, I think. Israel Ape from... Wow. Oh, not a problem, buddy. Thank you, man. Wow, you're from a long ways away. Not a problem, brother. Andrew. Good morning, brother. Somehow got off the threshold list and they dove the price down at the same time with bullshit. Yeah, it is, my friend. It's crap. It is crap, but we know that we know what we have, right? Just think about if you were on the other side. It's kind of hard to believe, but I don't think any of you guys are scumbags like that. But just think about if you were on the other side and you got yourself in this pickle, right? You would do everything in your power to try not to. I personally would pay the person because I couldn't sleep at night. But anyways, it is what it is, right? So you got to think on the other side. Nodes grow. Oh, I skipped somebody. Sorry. Joshua. It really despise the hedges. Yeah, we all do. And the banks, guys. A lot of people don't know that. The banks are letting it happen. That's the problem. They're just as bad as the hedgies. Okay? Okay, is there any chance that they will squeeze for... Okay, it won't squeeze if the people start selling at a lower price. No, it'll still squeeze, my friend. There's too many people that own it. Just think, though, that stock price was only done in Canada I'll correct that. No, it wasn't just done. That was done worldwide. I think Adam Aaron did a worldwide one. Or no, he didn't. It was only Canada and the States. He said he can't comment on the rest of the world. Fact check me on that, guys, if you know the answer. Joshua, new subscriber. Welcome. Welcome, brother. Okay, Dominic. CS. Do you think we're going to drop below 25 today? No. We won't go that low. We'll be 27 today, probably. And the next day, or no, it's today, Friday, the next day, Monday, I don't know. It's kind of hard to predict this stock, but I think we're going to go lower today, guys. I hate to say it. We're going to get you driving down. We were talking about this last night. If it hits $20, you know people are going to be doubling and tripling down on this. It's going to be so bad. It's going to be so bad because I know I'm loading the hell up. I'm going to have a wheelbarrow full, right, of money going in there and buying. It's all electronic. I'm just using that as an example. Been holding since Joshua's an OG too. Well, OG shareholder, not an OG on the channel. Okay, sorry. I big sell, supply and demand. Yep, it is. Okay, holding since January. Getting fed up with all the manipulation. They will really get screwed, but the thing is they're not going to get jail time and stuff. Sorry, guys, it's not going to happen. Not like if we would do something like that. It's called money, and they get themselves out. They're so deep in everything. The government, they have judges, they have they have everything. You have to think that the government, to hide taxes, put money into the stock market and to hide money. Okay, if you own stock, it's hard. Like if you don't have a lot of money and you buy some stock with it, your money's hidden, right? Who can prove you own stock, right? Unless you go through a bank. But if you use a private broker, there's no proof of that. Morning, Richard. I already think I said that, but I'll repeat it. Okay. Well, okay, Daniel B. Okay, so when it squeezes, will they still tax us? Well, yeah, of course. Like, you know what I mean, tax on the money that you make? They'll tax you, yeah, but not until you pull it out. Like if you pull it out and you pull it directly out or put it into your checking or savings account and it's not a tax-free savings account, yeah, you're going to be taxed on that. But if you transfer it, say, and you don't pull it out of the stock market and you put it into another stock, no. Not until you physically pull it out of the stock market, you're taxed on it. At least in Canada you are. You got to check into that. All you do is call your broker. They will tell you. They legally have to tell you that. You know that, right? Okay. I'm almost at the bottom here, guys. I can't give you some target price, Joe. I can't. I just went over that. I can't do that. It's going to be in the multiple thousands. Put it that way. You guys can do it on the chat bar. You guys, a couple of you were on here last night. You can mention a price on there and I can go, yeah, or whatever, right? I really can't tell you guys. You have to think the laws are different where I'm from. He included shareholders around the whole world. Okay, good enough. I just couldn't remember SS. Okay, when all the buy orders hidden in the dark pool make it to the market. When will they? When they change the laws. When they change, they're going to have to do a count. Okay, here's what I think is going to happen. They're going to do a count of all the synthetics. They kind of know, but they're going to have to go to all these banks and trader platforms and they're going to have to figure out what's going on here. There you go. Somebody just HP on the bottom, last message, he just nailed it. Those are the numbers right there. Is when he says is reasonable, exactly the last one he said is around the area. Okay. Spartan. So you think they'll dive down to 20 so they can cover at a lower cost without bankruptcy? Yeah, that's what they're going to try to do, but it kind of doesn't work like that. Okay, it doesn't matter because they're going to try diving down, and that's what they're doing. They're slowly pulling it down, but it's a little bit more complicated than that. VIL, I'm going to call you VT. Welcome to the channel. I haven't seen you here before. And good morning. Is it a good idea to register? That is up to you. Good question, guys. I tried doing it because they won't let me do it because my bank's not on the list. I did it all. I put my email in. I got the ticket sent to me in my email and all that stuff. And then I went to register. But then afterwards, they asked for my institution, and the actual trading account got me scared. It red flagged that in my eyes. You guys can do whatever you want. Okay. I know Adam Aaron said he set it up, but and he would have corrected that on Twitter by now if he didn't. But I don't know. That's up to you guys. That's like giving your social insurance number out. Right? If you guys know what that is. Up here in Canada, that's the number that you pay taxes on. That's your actual physical number to the government instead of being a person. I don't know if it's the same down there. It was a global count, not just shareholders. Okay, yeah. Yeah, 41 million, but that was in June. There's more now. Okay. Oswan. Threshold forever, Andrew. Thank you. Not a problem, my friend. That's why you're here. Joe, you're new here. New to investing? Just hang out and kick back and just watch, man. There's a lot of good investors. I don't know about the newer guys and stuff like that. I'm getting to know you guys, but the OGs on this channel there's some good, smart people here. And I've noticed just after last night, we had some drinks, and we had once in a while, what we'll do is when you see me come on and it will say drinks and hang out with me and do some trade talk, that means I'm having some drinks and we're just bullshitting and we're chilling out. And that can happen whenever I feel like doing it. Okay, SS. I already said good morning. I already said good morning and just subscribed to VT. Oh, I skipped somebody here. Been holding since February. Okay, Connor. You're an OG then. Okay. What's the possibility that this is a desperate attack to overinflate the price of the dollar? Ooh, I never thought about that one. I never thought about that. I can't make a comment on that, man. I never thought about that. That's some deep shit. Wow. Welcome to the channel, Connor. That's smart shit, man. Did you come up with that, or did you just read that off somebody else's stuff? Whoa, those LED lights are bright on green. Wow. I can't make a comment on that, my friend. I don't know that one. You stumped me on that. I'm going to have to think about that one for a while. Nodes grow. I'm new. Yeah, you're new on the channel. Yeah. Oh, new to investing. Yeah. Okay, I read it down further. Okay, well then you guys just okay. The new guys, if you go into my playlist, if you want to learn how to read candlesticks, the Japanese candlestick chart, I got 6 videos on there. They're very, very good and educational. You should go in there and watch them. Okay, and then when you come back into the channel, you'll understand stuff when I'm talking symbols and I teach you stuff. You should go in there. It's just a basic crash course, okay? And then you'll understand some of the lingo when I'm starting to talk, because I haven't started with the lingo yet, because there's nothing to tell you on here. But when I start talking lingo like 3 soldiers or crows or spin top or hammer, most of the people don't know what I'm talking about unless you watch my videos, and then you're like, oh, okay. Those are signals, and I can tell within minutes to when to buy and what's going to happen within like a couple minutes down the road. Okay, you should know that stuff. I'm not saying you're going to be a professional like that. It takes years and years, but you'll know the basics. Okay. Okay, SS. I trust played. I don't know what 100%. They are a great DD on Reddit on the topic. Okay, we're affiliated with Wall Street Breakers on Reddit. I'm totally affiliated with them, right? Somebody asked me last night on that. I've never heard of that. What is that, a group? I've never heard of it, my friend. Reddit, I do get some of my content off there, and there's some good stuff, but I sift through it because there's a lot of it's 50-50 on that one. Okay, some of it's good stuff, some of it is good stuff, and it's just somebody's theory. There's no actual backing of it. Sometimes I use that, and yeah. You guys need to sift. Same as me. I'm not a god here, guys, and you guys know that. But some of you guys think I am. I'm not. Okay, I'm just a normal person. Okay, You guys should DD or double check. Not DD, but you should do your DD on me. When I say something, you should go check it out with the sources you have on anybody in the world. When it comes to trading, you should always double check it. Okay, there's so many scams on trading. It's the easiest way to rip somebody off. Okay, and people on YouTube, you should always check the information. Even with me, double check me, triple check me. Okay. I'm probably the only guy on YouTube that says that. But seriously, you should, okay? This is your life that is on the line, okay? This is money. This is stuff you worked your ass off for. Because I do that. Like when you guys tell me something and I fact check me. Oh, and guys, did you all enroll on the second channel yet? Because if this channel ever gets taken down, and on my Twitter handle, you should, it's on my homepage on the right-hand side. Just click it, and then it'll take you right to Twitter. You should enroll on there in case all this stuff gets taken down, because some of these channels are diminishing. YouTube's pulling them because of a lot of reasons, okay? The bigger channels is because of the super chatting and lying and stuff on there. That's why these guys with 100, 200,000, 300,000 subscribers disappear like this, is because they are breaking the law or they're bought and paid for. There's some shady shit going on. Stuff that we don't even know. And then they come on and say, oh, it was this. They're lying, okay? YouTube just doesn't pull your channel down just for something to do, okay? You get notices first. If it's a copy strike, you'll get a copy strike. If it's a termination notice, you get a termination notice, okay? Or you'll get a warning, okay? Trust me, I know. I've gotten a couple of them. Not for a copy. I almost got a copy strike once by clicking month or two ago. We were on here late at night having some drinks, and I was on my Twitter. We go through my Twitter messages sometimes, right? And just talk to people and just laugh and just have fun. I clicked on the UFC fight with Rogan, and his voice triggered off the right away. YouTube picked that up, and it was a warning for a copy strike, that his voice is copyrighted. So, and they actually the next day pulled the video off, and it disappeared right off the channel. Okay, I didn't get in trouble for it. I got a warning. So because I didn't know that, right? So I won't do it again. YouTube's pretty fair in a lot of ways. Okay, I just wish they had an easier way to get a hold when you have a problem, that you could actually talk to somebody. That's the only thing I'm complaining about. Okay. Richard, hedges driving the price down to allow be leverage on. Okay, Richard, hedges driving the price down allows them to meet leverage requirements. That's true. Yeah, it does. Yes, they are to some degree. Ask, is as safe as giving bank info to brokerages? I don't know about that one, man, because you don't even know who this site is. Okay, with this, yes, is it called? With this thing with the AMC share count, you don't even know who it is. I've done the research, but really, I don't know. That's up to you guys. I personally am not comfortable with it, right? All it's to do is just register to give us to see if there's fraudulent shares out there and what we're sitting at. Well, I already told you guys there's about 5 to 6 billion synthetics out there. I did the math. Go back on the last video, right? I had that broadcasted 2 days before. Now all the tubers are talking about it. I already knew that, except I was off by 1 billion, my math. I said 5 billion. Some are saying 6 now. So it's just that I did the math, right? And I went off of old numbers. I went off of the June numbers, okay? And I still came up with that. It's probably worse now. Big S. How can they keep driving down the price down? Are they just creating naked shirts every day? Yeah, they are. And they're circulating them. Okay? Yeah, they are. That's the problem. That's why we're up to in the 6 billion, plus, 5-6 billion plus. Okay, yeah, they're just printing it like money. Okay, that's what they gotta. Trust me, the government's on it. They're under investigation. I got some videos on that. I called that the FBI was investigating Citadel. They went in and grabbed some computers. I covered that a long time ago, and now they're just finding it out. Okay, I got some connections in the States with an FBI agent, and I get some information, and I do screen it. Obviously, I can't tell you guys everything, but I can give you guys little blips of that. Okay, you'll see it like maybe a 2-second right off my phone. You should watch those ones. There's some good information in there, but I got to protect myself too. I got to watch what I say, right? But I'll give you guys the gist of what's happening. I'm not. I can mention names and stuff like that, but I gotta watch what the hell I'm doing too, right? Wow, it's down 2 point. AMC's down to down 2.45. So if you would have bought this morning and you put 10G in down, you would have lost. You'd be thousands of dollars down right now. That's why I just wanted to show you what I would do, why I don't buy after hours anymore. I was just giving an example. First thing in the morning before it even happened in front of our eyes, I predicted that. Okay, that was the learning lesson for the day, guys. Never buy after hours, or on a weekend is even worse. And then what they'll do is they won't your ticket. They'll wait and then they'll sell it. Right? Notice how the order's not filled right away sometimes because they're waiting it, or they'll say buy, or it'll say buy bid, or bid buy, or whatever it says on the thing, and it'll be a couple cents off or a dollar off. That's them skimming. Okay, that should be illegal, but it's not. That's what Robinhood was doing. That's because it's a zero commission platform. That's how they make their money. Just one of the ways. Okay, same as my bank, TD, where I buy my stuff through. And we had this come up last night. What is the safest place to buy shares? The banks. Okay, these trading platforms. I know you guys use them and stuff, but if you're going to be buying more shares and stuff, like this is just for me. If I was to buy more shares, I use multiple brokers, but I use banks. Okay, big banks because they're insured. I don't use smaller brokers except one that I use. And it's down below. It's Simple Trades, and you can get yourself some free stock if you sign up to it and buy through it. I think you can get a couple $1,000s free stock. Okay, and I'm very transparent. I make some money off of that just for the code. Okay, I don't lie about stuff. Okay, but you're welcome to use it if you want. Okay. Okay, Big Spoon, I agree. Connor, welcome to the channel, brother. Oh, we just got an upvote on Reddit right now for something. Oh, another upvote on Reddit. On Wall Street Breakers, that's my channel. The one I'm affiliated to. So that the icon's right up on the right-hand side below the Wolfpack, our logo, if you guys want to go to it. Tell them that you're from CS Trades when the modder comes on there. Okay, it's free to join. You can, there's paid options in there, but just to become a member is free. Tell them that you're Cameron, or you can even say the Wolfpack. They know me by the Wolfpack. And you'll see all my videos on there. And I'll be up on with a crown. It'll say affiliated. I'll be the only one on the top. Okay? I tell the truth, man. They will treat you like gold on that channel if you say you're from on Discord, if you say you're from here, okay? Trust me, and if you have issues, just contact me. I'll straighten it out on there. Okay. I don't want to freak anybody out, so I don't want to elaborate on that. Okay, I'm listening to Connor there still. Richard, that's the game. Yep. This is how I go. I read through stuff. I go through all the chats, and then we'll have the discussion. Okay, guys? I know this channel's a little bit different, but I'm all about respect. Okay? And I don't have any new news because I go through the news first thing in the morning. Okay? We've already got the new news and all that. Jeff, everything. Yeah, that you're right. Yes, okay. SS. Bad English by using me, but plain. Adam, Aaron. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, SS, that's what we were just talking about, my friend. It's a little bit scary. That's what gave me the red flag. I personally, I'm not having anything. I can't go into it anyways, but I personally, I would have nothing to do with that. I know everybody's like saying, oh yeah, you're not a real ape if you do that. No, you're not a real wolf or a duck or whatever the hell the handle is that your channel you're on. We're all here for the same cause, okay? You can't let those people get to you and all that stuff. We don't put up with that shit on this channel, okay? Down talking people like that. So that's up to you guys what you want to do with that. It's just be very careful. You are giving your whole thing away. What if somebody attacks you with malware, man, and seizes your computer and takes all your information because they know you're holding a substantial amount of shares? Think about that one. And I know you can change your name and all that, but the name means nothing. It's the account numbers that mean something. Well, we hit the bottom of the messages. You're going to... Yeah, nodes grow. Yeah, we do talk about other stocks, my friend. We will. I'm just going through the messages here. Which banks to use? Ken, where are you from, my friend? If you're from Canada, TD, Bank of Hong Kong's pretty good. I know they're in the States. The TD Bank in the States. Oh, no, it's not. It's by Schwab owns that now. I would stay away from that one. I don't know where you are, so just, or else I could go through like 60 of them. Okay, just tell me where you are on the messages. Yeah, it is way down right now, buddy. I was at 150,000 in my account. I'm down to like 40 grand now. Don't worry, I know how it is. I know how it is. My wife was fucking freaking on me. Okay. What's on the climb on the chart? On my chart? Is that what you're talking about, my friend? Ken, I'm from Louisiana. Okay, so any of the big banks, what's the biggest bank you guys got down there? That's the one you want to stick with because they got the most money in case you don't want to run into a problem with Robinhood where they ran out, because they're not going to shut the stock market down like what happened with Robinhood. That was a fucking fluke. I do not know, because the Citadel shut it down and they're like jointed, right? TD BMO, yeah, that's Canadian. Yeah, he's in the States though. TD or BMO, Royal Bank, but he's not. He's in the States. Google or just use the biggest bank. Whatever bank you use. Are they like on every corner? Are they big? Just stick with that, man. And even if you have to pay $10 a trade, I know some of the banks, it's not a zero commission platform. It's worth it to protect yourself, guys. Okay? You got that, brother? Okay, so we're at the bottom right now. Okay. Wow, my whole portfolio is almost in the green, except AMC. I'm making some money at least somewhere. Not much, though. Okay, what stocks? Okay, here we go, guys. Yeah, it is ridiculous, buddy. It is ridiculous. I pay $10 from TD to buy stocks, but you're protected then. And how many times are you going to buy it? Like, I buy in chunks. I know it's better to fractional buy. That's up to you guys if you want a fractional buy in little chunks and stuff. I would use a zero commission platform for that. I wouldn't be using a bank. But if you're going to buy, I use Wealthsimple. That's my broker. Wealthsimple, that's my second broker. So guys in Canada, if you use Wealthsimple, you can use my code on the bottom of the screen and you can get yourself some free stock, okay? So insert the code under the referral. Okay, guys, what do you want me to look at? Ones that we haven't covered yet, okay? What stocks do you want to know? And I can look into it and dive into. And then we're going to get into some dividend stocks in a bit. I'm going to be on for another hour. So I'm usually on for about only a half. I'm usually on an hour and an hour, but I'm going to be on for 2 today. And then I'm not here for the rest of the week. I'm going camping tonight, okay? And then Monday, I will be back rocking and rolling. Okay, guys? but I will be shooting podcasts from the bush. You'll be getting some me out. This channel's a little bit different. I show parts of my life and stuff like that, and just have fun. Okay, guys, little short videos. It's not all about stock trading. Okay, this channel's built a little. It's a family channel. Okay, like not family work. There's kids. I'm talking like brotherhood. We're all a group, a good solid group. Okay. Good monthly dividend stocks. Okay, we'll start at the top here. I'm Jen. Node grows. Is that you said I'm Jen. So you're a girl and that's your name? Sorry, it's hard to decipher Texas sometimes. Good monthly dividend stocks, Richard. Okay, and then I'll get back to you. What's the name of the podcast? On what, my friend? You have to be more clear. I have over 200 and somewhere 160 podcasts. Are you talking about mine? No, I don't, Jeff. I don't know anything of those. So, dividend stocks. We're going to get into some dividend stocks here. Okay, we're going to start with Canada because I already got them in my portfolio. And then you guys are going to have to give me ticker symbols of your banks, and we'll get in there and we'll find you some. Okay? Yes? Okay. Okay. Okay, Jen. I'll try to remember that. You're into the marijuana stocks. It's all good, Jen. It's all good. And you're Canadian. What province are you from? Are you close to me? Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to jump some dividend stocks. I'm going to show you guys, I'm using a Webull as my scanner, my stock scanner. Okay, a lot of you guys use Yahoo. It doesn't matter. They'll all tell you the same things. I do not support Webull, by the way. I only use their stock scanner, and which gives them no support whatsoever. I do not sell their stocks. I do not have activate codes for them or nothing. I stay away from them with a 10-foot pole. Okay, same as Robinhood. I wouldn't use their scanner. Or I would use their scan, but I don't buy stocks through them. Okay. Ticker symbol SU, Suncor Energy, which is one of our main energy sectors in the oil patch. Okay, we're going to start at the very beginning. Kat, girl, how's it going? I know, MVIS. See, I know Kat pretty good. MVIS is in the green at 20% right now. I know. You know what to do, Kat, when it hits your target. Right? We already talked about this. So, anyways, oh, brother. Okay, no, it's sister. It's okay. Okay. Thank you, because I can't tell by the Ontario. Right on. You're just by Kat. Kat's down by you, where it says Cat S. EMAC. Good morning, brother. Okay, we're just getting into dividend stocks. EMAC was on here last night. We wanted to know about dividends. Oh, I had to kill a mosquito. We're getting into dividend stocks. We're going to start with Canada. We're going to do 3 or 4 up here in Canada. We're going to do 3 or 4 in the States, and then you guys are on your own. I'm going to educate you on how to find a dividend stock. We're going to do that right now. Okay, using a stock scanner. Okay, like I said, I'm using Webull. You just pull up a stock. You can Google it too, and it tells you which one's paid dividend. Okay, on the right-hand side or wherever it has the ledger, okay, it tells you all the stuff, the weekly high, the 52 high, the 52 low, the turnover, all the volume, all that stuff. If you look for dividend yield, that's what you want to look for. Okay, this stock is paying 3.45%. So, what that means is they get whatever money they make out of their earnings, and whatever they're giving you a promotion. It's a promotion and royalty to their stock. Okay, when you buy the stock at say it's at $24.34. If you buy that, say put $100,000, you buy $100,000 of that. I'm just saying after the squeeze, this is what I'm doing. I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm building multiple streams of income. Every millionaire and every billionaire does this. Okay, it doesn't need to be stocks. It just applies to life in general. This is called capitalizing your money, okay? In a legit way, okay? So if you put $100,000 in here, what you would be getting, and I know it doesn't sound like much, but you're not paying taxes on it then. You're not getting nailed this 37 to 50% on your money because you're leaving it in the stock market. You're reaping income, and what it does is, when you buy a house, you're paying compound interest. Now you're the bank, and you're collecting the compound interest. Okay, so what it is that this one is at the dividend yield is at 3.45%. Okay, so what that means is you get $345 every month. Okay, it could be quarterly, it could be, very few of them are annually. So it's usually quarterly, so they pay you every quarterly. So every month you get compounded, and if you leave it into an account, it compounds. Okay, so what I do is, and you do pay taxes on that when you take it out. So what you probably don't want to take it out. This is what I do. I don't take it out every month. I leave it into my account. You can direct that to go wherever you want. You can put a transfer in on that. I would leave it in that account and just quarantine it. So, or you can put it in a high interest trading account. Okay. So what it does is it compounds every month. So if you leave it in there for 10 years, you're going to make yourself a fucking lot of money. Tons of money. Okay. It's just like a bank. Okay. If you do that, say I get $2 million off of AMC. We don't know. Okay. We're just going to use that hypothetically. Okay. So, my house is already paid off. I owe nothing I owe nothing in life. Okay. I was very fortunate because from stock market. Okay. I've done really good in the stock market. Okay. I don't own or owe anything. Thank God. I just paid off my house 3-4 months ago off of the COVID pill. I paper handed it. Okay, they do not paper hand AMC. You'll fucking lose your shirt. You'll lose all your money. It's not a good stock. You got to know what you're doing when it comes to that. We will cover that later on when the squeeze happens. Okay, or just before. We'll cover that in the next couple of days. I've already done videos on it, but we'll do it. So, anyways, guys, I won't be able to read. I won't be able to read the chats until a little bit here, my friends. Cambridge. Best time to buy internet, IT. The best time, I'll answer the one question, then I'll get back into this. The best time that I find is between 8 and 10 in the morning. Okay? That's the best time I buy. That's when I buy. Okay? And I usually buy on a Friday or a Monday. Those are the worst days usually. Worst as in, I mean, they're in the red. Okay. So, we'll get back into this again. How do you guys get the squeeze notification? You have to hit your bell on your, you know how when you signed up to my channel, hit the bell for notifications? Turn that on. When the squeeze goes off, I'm going to be sending out 2 podcasts and it's going to say SOS, we're in the squeeze, or SOS squeeze. There you go. Done. When it starts going down on a downcline sell, I'm going to say we're in a sell-off. SOS, sell-off. That's it. I can't tell you guys to buy, sell. They're very vague. It's going to be a 15, 30-second video. That's it. Okay, and then you got to be on the other channel to get the live. We will be on this channel broadcasting it too, but we won't be, the other channel won't be me talking. It's just going to be stock screeners going. We're going to have a MA and the EMA set up. We're going to have our indicators on there. We're going to have a couple trend lines, and it's just going to... Anyways, I'm going to concentrate on this, guys. So, anyways, the dividend stocks, that's just one. So that's called one stream of income. Okay? So, and if the stock goes down, it's in the red, you still get that percentage. Okay, guys? Just say it's like AMC where it's just friggin' red. Sea of red for, say, 6 months, and it's down to like you've lost like 3/4 of your money, but the percentage says 3.246. You still get that. See, that's the good thing. You do need to pay taxes on that money that you get, though, okay? If you take it out of the bank, okay? But it's way better than paying, giving half your money away, right? You can reap multiple money off of it, okay? Okay, so we're going to put TD in here. We're going to use another bank. Okay, now we used one of the energy sectors. I'm going to spread you over to a bank now. Okay, we're going to use a bank here. We're going to use the New York Stock Exchange. No, we're going to use the Toronto Stock Exchange on this. This one's at 3.78. It's a little bit higher. Okay, so if I look down on the right-hand side, oh, you guys can't see it because my screen's in front of it there. I'm not going to move my screen around, but I'm just giving you the gist. You guys can do this yourself. You're looking for dividend yield or dividend, but the dividend yield is what you want. That's what you're getting paid. And it's at 3.78. There you go. On to the next stock. We're going to go to, let's use Enbridge or Shell. Let's use Shell, okay? Shell, holy crap. Shell Midstream is paying 9.39% on a dividend yield. That's huge, man. That is really, really high. That's probably one of the highest ones I've seen in a long time, okay? So that is almost 10% on your money every month. So you're getting on 100,000, you're getting $1,000 a month. Okay, so is that right? Yeah, it is. It is right. You're getting $1,000 a month off 100 grand. Okay, and if you stick that into it, it's going to compound on you in a trader's account. So there you go. So out of 200 grand, you're getting $1,400 a month coming in. Okay. I know it's 200 grand, but if you would have spent it or taken it out, you would have lost out of 200 grand. You pretty much would have lost 70 grand, 5 grand to 100 grand already. You would have been down to 100 grand. Okay. So that's how you minimize your loss. Okay. This is what I do. This is why I became somewhat successful, right? I'm working on my second million. Okay. So, and that will be when the stock squeezes, right? Say EMAC, no, he's talking. I'm just going to read through this stuff. Free, you're going to get it, bro. You're on the right track. Okay, so I'm just going to read through a couple of your things. I've already gone through. Do you guys understand the gist now? Okay, I'm going to put this back on AMC. Actually, I'm going to go over to MVIS because we do got some MVIS people here. So just go back to here. I just want to keep my eye on that one. She's up, Kat. She's up 20% right now. Nice. I don't own in this, guys. I'm very transparent on it. I don't bullshit. If I don't own money on this, I stay away from it for a reason. Okay. I have my own reasons on stuff. I'm concentrating on one thing. I don't want to spread myself too thin. Oh, that sun's pretty bright coming in there. Holy crap, is that bright? Wow. So there you go. I gotta cover this up a bit. There we go. That's better. I was getting a harsh glare off the screen. So there we go, guys. Some dividend stocks. What are some banks in the States, guys? You're gonna have to help me out here. Tell me some. What's an energy sector in the States? Some ticker symbols. You have to give me the symbols. You can't just give me the names. Or a bank down in the States. You have to give me the ticker symbol. AMC on the green now. Is it? It is. It's up in the 2%. Good. That's awesome. That is what it is. I'll bounce up to AMC, guys. I just want to cover MVIS because I know a lot of people are in on that too. So, Tahana, did I pronounce that right? Keeping it real and giving your fans meat. That's awesome. Welcome to the channel. I haven't seen you here before. So yeah, guys, throw me some banks or some energy sectors or something here. Ticker symbol. Okay, Enbridge. That's Enbridge is American too. We have it up here too. Enbridge does pay a good dividend. Yeah, they do have it down in the States. So there you go. Enbridge, wow, they're paying a pretty good dividend too. They're paying 6.70. That's pretty good money, guys. Between 3 and 9 is pretty much the highest you're going to get what the economy is going right now. And you don't always want the highest one. You don't want to always put everything in one basket. If it's me, I spread it all over the place. I know you're like, well, that doesn't make sense. It does. Trust me. That one's hard to explain. That's for another day. But what I do is I have a couple here, a couple there, because if the company is going to, like an energy sector, that they're going to make a lot of money that year, the dividends yield is going to go up. If you invest into a company that has a high dividend yield, and the company's going to lose money, now you're stuck into a stock where it could drop, plus the dividend's going to go down. You're going to get double screwed. Okay, there's a catch to this dividend thing too. You guys got to watch what you're doing. Okay. Okay, let's get into Enbridge. Ken, I know Chase Morgan is a big bank. Chase Morgan, what's the ticker symbol, Ken? I gotta get you to find that for me, my friend. Fortis, you're Canadian, that's Fortis? Yes, Fortis does it. Yep. Wells Fargo. You guys got to give me the ticker symbols, guys. You can't just I can't just go off that stuff. You guys are gonna have to do a little bit of DD for me. I can't start looking on the internet and stuff like that right here, guys. It'll crash the stream. Sorry about that. Ticker symbol O. What? Never heard of that one before. Really? Oh my God, there's a lot. I just want to check realty income. Oh, wow. Okay, ticker symbol O. Realty income. Never heard of it before. Is paying a 4.01% dividend yield. There's another one, guys. They're all over the place. I know a lot of people you guys are like, I never even knew about this before. So there you go. Give you guys some good news. Robinhood's tanking right now. It's down 9%. It's down to $64. Told you guys it was a false illusion. It was that good of a stock and it was in a squeeze like they were all saying. It would have been at like hundreds by now. Okay? It's a false bull crap. Imperial's another one. Yep. Fortis is another one, guys. You guys have nailed it. You guys and girls, sorry, are professionals now. You guys are hammering away on this. I'm just making sure I've gotten through all of your guys' messages here. So you guys got the gist, and ladies and gentlemen, you got the gist of it. So yeah, you're on your way to be seasoned traders now. So that's just one lesson. We have thousands of lessons on here. Okay. That's why it's a good idea to go into the videos and just watch the videos. Like the ones of me live in the morning or like live like this, that's up to you if you want to watch that stuff, whatever, right? That's just me talking. There's educational stuff in it, right? But the videos that are actually posted, those ones are the ones that I cover actual stuff, okay? Okay, what is the dividend in yield percentage based on what number? Oh, okay. What it is their okay, you know how do they have the earnings? You know how AMC's earnings is coming up? It's off of that earnings. So whatever that earnings is a percentage off of that. Okay? So it's whatever their Q earnings are if they're a Q company. Q stands for quarter earnings. Okay? So the quarter earnings of AMC, if they had a dividend, which they do, but it's so low that they don't even put it on the board. Let's check it out. Oh, they pulled it. It used to be 83 cents or 80.83. It's not. They pulled it. Yeah, because of COVID. That was before COVID. Sorry, guys. I was misinforming you there. Yeah, some of them will pay monthly, quarterly. You still get the same amount of money. It's just you don't get your check until then. Okay? Some pay every 6 months, right? Very few do, though. Usually it's quarterly. But yeah, it is what it is. What number is the dividend based on again? Okay. The dividend is based on, say, if it's a quarterly earnings, whatever the company made as a company, you get paid on that. That's what the percentage is, okay? But the percentage, you get paid on the amount of money you put in. So say if you only put $1,000 in, at say 6%, it'll only be $60, okay? If you put a 10,000 in, it would be like on and on and on. You know what? You just add the zero on the end. The ticker symbol for Shell, I did it here. I just put Shell in. Oh, there's a bunch. See, I don't know what Shell midstream is. I did click on it and it was a high one. It was really high, 9.36. You're going to have to look into that, guys. I can't look that up. You're going to have to Google it. Just put Shell, or the ticker symbol was SHLX. Okay, that's the ticker symbol, and it's called Shell Midstream. I don't even know if that is the same company as the Shell. I'm just using examples, but they are paying a killer dividend, though. That's high, man. I really like that. That's very intriguing. Do some research on that, though, before you buy. If the company's in arrears and they're on bankruptcy protection, do not buy into it, because what they're doing is trying to do a quick sellout. They're trying to get people in there and then they're going to fold. Okay, that does happen with dividend. You got to watch the dividend. If it's up in like 10-15%, I would stay away from it. I would stay away from the company. There's something fishy going on. You got to use your head a little bit, right? If it's too good to be true, that's why it's safer to go with big companies that you know, okay? Okay, guys, give me a second here. I'm just going to jump over to my Discord's going off crazy here. What's going on here? Oh, we just got a snapshot of from Vinny on Reddit. Oh, they're getting a snapshot right now. They just we just got this 10 minutes ago. They did a prediction the stock AMC is going to go up, and it did go up. See, these guys are really good on this thing, and it's up at 5%. These guys called it 15 minutes ago before this even went up. Wall Street Breakers. You guys should go over there. I'm serious. Go over there and say hi to your mod. Oh, the mod today is different. The mod today is different, so he might not know who I am, because I don't deal with that one. Mine's VP. But it is what it is. We're at AMC's up. Let me get off this screen. AMC's up at 5.80 right now, guys. We're going pretty good. Ooh, that's good trading. Okay, guys, jump on over here and have a look on this. If you have a way of clicking the ticker scanner on in front of you, you should click the scanner on in front of you and just go with me on it. We're at 6%. We're climbing fast, guys. Okay, these guys are professionals too. They predicted it. I wasn't watching it. IBM free. Yeah, IBM I think has it, my friend. I think they do. Pays monthly or quarterly. Free, I don't know on that, my friend. You would have to go look. Just Google it. Just Google it, my friend. Sorry, I wasn't ignoring you. I'm just on to this. We're at almost 7%, 6.5. We are going to get a bit of a pull. Okay, we smashed through one of our trend lines, okay, which is now a support level. Okay, it was a trend line. Or sorry, it was a trend line. It was it was a restriction line. Now it's a support line. But it was our first go through it, or second go through it this morning. We could actually hold this. We're at 6% right now. We're getting a bit of a pushback. It's fighting. But I wanted to show you guys something. This is beautiful climb. This is how a stock's supposed to go. Okay? Like this. Look at this. Up. Consolidation. Up. Consolidation. It went down. It did side consolidation. Okay? Then up. Okay? So this is called three crows. Okay? When you have a positive followed by three negatives and a positive is called three crows. It's a bad sign, okay? But then when you have this, I don't have another one. When you get three soldiers beside it is a good run. When you have this right here, that means it's going to run. This stock's going like it's going good right now. So we are having perfect consolidation levels here. That's normal trading, okay, without these clowns messing with shit. Something happened today with the market, guys. Something happened to let them be doing this. Let's check the volume coming in. Oh, we got a lot of volume coming in right now. Lots. We're at 8% already, guys. We just recovered our losses from yesterday. We're at 8 point. We don't want that to go to too high. Not a problem, Free. Not a problem, my friend. There we go. Wow. We just had a reversal on that. We went from a negative to a positive within seconds, a millisecond. Okay, we're hitting 9% now, guys. We just broke free from our losses yesterday. There we go. We're 9. Yeah, something happened here. You never know. We don't know what happened, but something happened. They're letting stocks through. Yeah, hood money came back in. Yeah, no shit, eh? That's funny. Nothing left, man. I know you're joking. Nothing left. Nobody cashed in AMC, man. And if they did, they just screwed themselves because to buy back in now just cost you a fortune. Can't find Wall Street breakers? What? No, I don't have a link for them. It's the emblem right here, right on my page. If you go to, hang on a second. Oh, shit. Go to Reddit and just type in Wall Street breakers. It's expelled exactly what this is right here on my homepage. And if no, go down below my page right now. Okay, on the live stream, go down into where it says information and where it says awesome other links. It's in there, my friends. It's in there. I forgot it. Wall Street Breakers put it in there for me because they monitor our channel, right? And I got him to add some stuff in there. So there's the links there. There's the links to my broker down there that I use, the computer I use, all that stuff. I have a high kick-ass gaming computer to keep track of all this stuff running, right? Or else a normal computer would just burn out within like minutes. We got a lot of shit running here. We're at 9%. Ew! There we go. Isn't that what we were down yesterday? We were down 9%. 11%. Sorry, correction, guys. I don't know what planet I'm on. We haven't recovered our losses from yesterday yet. We have to get to 11 something. Yeah, I'm liking this. Yeah, we got to have a little bit of red here, guys. We have to do some side consolidation here, or else it's just going to drop like a knife. That's why this is perfect. When I said, oh, this is perfect. You don't want it to go straight up. And everybody's like, well, what do you mean? You don't. If it goes straight up like $3, it's going to climb back down. Unless it's in a squeeze, you got to have some side action or stepping. It's called stepping like this all the way up. That is good. Okay. They might have let this through just so it doesn't look as suspicious too. This stock, it's hard to read. Like, look at all my indicators. I can't even, it's hard to read. That's all I got to say. I'm being positive. I'm not being negative. Nope. Okay. What's nope? Oh, can't find Wall Street breakers. Nope. It's not on the bottom. Okay, guys, just give me a second. I'll go look for you. Just give me a second, guys. I just got to pull up one of my videos here. Okay, YouTube. Your videos. Okay. Live. I'm live right now, obviously. Yeah, it's on the bottom. I can see it right here. If you go on to details underneath my link, Okay, it'll say the title. We're live at 6:25. Stock pre-market every day. Come join us. If you go down to the bottom underneath all my links, and it'll say CS Trades 101 links, my computer, all that stuff, and it'll say some awesome links. Check them out. Cut and paste Wall Street Breakers. Just take the slash off the end. I'm going to do it right now to make sure it works. And take the slash marks off the front, obviously. Copy. Then we're going to put it up here into your browser. Paste. Takes me right there, guys. There's nothing wrong with the link. And then you go over to join community right on the top. And if that doesn't work, I can't help you guys out. There's something wrong with your computer or something. Yeah, it's on Reddit. It's a Reddit group, guys. Oh, I did say Discord. Sorry. They do have a Discord group too. Yeah, sorry about that. I'm sorry, guys. It's a Reddit group. It's Wall Street Breakers. It's on Reddit. Sorry, they do have a Discord group too. Okay, and you're welcome to join that too. Just ask the mod in there. Didn't I say Reddit or did I say Discord? Sorry if I misled you guys. But yeah, awesome Reddit group, guys. It's killer. It's killer. It's one of the best groups out there. It's very young too. It's when did VP start that? VIP. He started the Reddit one. It has 7,000, 8,000 members, 7,000 members in it. And really good guy that owns it. Deadly guy. He will do anything for you to help you out. And you can actually pay a fee if you want to I think if you want, and to become to become in the Breakers Club. And that's up to you. Or you can just stay on it for free, right? You can't become an affiliate like me though. Just so you guys know, there's no way. But there's nothing wrong with the Breakers Club membership. It's pretty cool. You found it? Okay, guys. Or girl. Sorry, girls. You gotta change your name. You gotta put why don't you put Jen Grower? Jen Grow. You don't have to change your name. I'll remember it. And I guess you'll be targeted then. But a lot of the girls do that. Put their name on there just because unless you don't want to be recognized as that, it's up to you. I'm not telling you what to do. But there is a good group of girls on here, ladies, I should say, in our group. A couple of them are, yeah, it's all good. Especially when we get on here at nighttime and all that with the guys and the girls and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty cool, some of the talks that we have and the joking around and stuff. And I just want to throw this out here. Thank you to all the subs. I really appreciate it. And because I know a lot of new people. Rob, welcome. I haven't seen you here before. And if I have, sorry. We've got thousands of people now. It's just hard to keep track of everybody. But yeah, guys, thank you. Welcome to the group. Thank you for helping support us. It is for a good cause. We're not going to take money off super chatting and all that stuff. Do you think we'll end on green today? We have a pretty good chance. I say yes. I could be wrong though. Like I said, I can't predict. This is not a normal stock. But look at, do you know what gives me a sign? The whole market's green now. Everything's green in the market. Everything. Except Robinhood. Robinhood's down almost 12%. His own stock's bleeding. Yeah, we're going to end in the green today. I just had a look at everything. Yeah, the market's in a... Ken found it. Good, guys. I'm glad you found it. That's up to you to join. I'm not pressuring any, but and some of you are against Reddit, but just give this group a chance. Okay, good chance on there. And there's some people that don't like me on there that'll downvote my videos. When my videos come on there, guys, smash them up on Reddit. But because there's a lot we do, even in our group, we have shills, and there's a couple hedgies in there that we just can't find them. There is people in our group, but we're welcome everybody. They will eventually get terminated out of there. It's just because they say stupid shit sometimes. And if they keep on doing it, we know it's a bot, right? But they're infiltrated everything. Okay, guys? But have fun in there. Keep you on your toes. Yeah, no kidding, eh? Yeah. There we go. We're getting it pushed back. Andy! Yeah, no kidding. Vlad is doing that. I would like to say something, but it's a little rude because we got ladies on here. But yeah, if it was, yeah. Anyways, let's. I got to watch what I'm saying now. Actually did get a bit of a warning from YouTube for, I guess the machine picked up, their algorithm picked up swearing too much on my channel. So they gave me a warning. I can shut monetization off, but I invested in new stocks, right? So it is what it is. I get nothing. My channel's so small. I get like cents a video, not even $1, I don't think. But it is what it is, right? It is what it is. And then I got to pay taxes on that now. They have new laws on this that they just brought in like a couple months ago. Now they tax it. Same as how they tax streaming now. They never used to tax streaming, like Amazon Prime and all that stuff. You never had to pay taxes on that. At least in Canada you didn't. Now you do, right? So they just totally crippled everything, right? Oh. But yeah, they warned me that to stop swearing as much. I'm allowed to swear because it's for no adults. It's just that I guess the machine monitors how many times you swear in a certain amount of time. And I guess I'm like in the red zone. So it is what it is. It is effing what it is. No, I'm just joking. Just joking. But it is better. I know a lot of you guys have kids, especially in the morning, and you're watching this. And a lot of people listen to audio and they have the kids in the car. And then all of a sudden I swear and they're like, ugh. You know what I mean? I've been told that before by viewers, but it is what it is, right? It is for adults only. So, guys, got any questions or anything? Anything you want to know? Oh, I know what we can go through. MA and EMA lines, okay? So, I haven't discussed this probably in like 3-4 months. Okay. These are just indicators, and if anybody else tells you anything, they're full of BS, okay? Because when one crosses over the other, it's a sign. It's only a guideline. You can't use this for buying, or I wouldn't. It only gives you to the second, okay? You can't buy fast enough on your phone. It could switch, okay? I use it just as a guideline to see what's happening, okay? So, hang on a second. What's going on here? Just hang on a second. What's going on? Having issues. Oh, I just took them off. Oh, okay, that's what I wanted to know. So when the EMA, is it? Just hang on. I can't see. I gotta blow the screen up here. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to read a chart here for you guys. So when the MA crosses over the EMA, it's a buy signal, okay? It means the stock's gonna go up, okay? So there's your rules for the Yeah, I won't need YouTube money soon. No, not at all. I don't, like I said, I haven't even got a check from YouTube yet. It's too small. They won't even pay me, I don't think. The channel's so small, right? Like, we're new, guys. We're not like these other channels that have been out for years and years and years, and then they got into this AMC and now they got like hundreds of thousands of subscribers. We're doing I'm not complaining. We're doing awesome. Like, I'm blown away because we're so new. Like, 90% of the channels never usually get monetized, okay? They can't get 1,000 subs. It is very hard. It's like we call it the YouTube grind. Okay, to get people to sub it's a whole different thing, right? You have to have good content, right? Or else people don't hit the sub, right? Which that's up to you guys. I don't pressure into any of that stuff. It's up to you. I support creators though. I'm just like that, right? If I like a channel, I will support you, right? And there's a bunch of us creators that are actually in the group, right? A bunch of new people that just came on. There are other creators that found out they liked my content. So that, because I'm a creator too, right? I'm creating stock market content. So I'm going to support them. I just went, one of them's a cook, right? And he has way less subscribers than I do. Well, yeah, I'm going to help him out. He was a decent guy. I was down here talking about him last night. He has a bunch of good videos on cooking. You guys got to check his recipes out. I will put his link down. When you go into my thing, and it says the channels that I follow, I have it blocked off right now, but I'm going to open it up for you guys. And it gives him support, right? Because he knows what he's doing. Of course, I'm going to check it out to see if it's good content. If it's not good content, I don't care if you support my channel. I'm not going to support your channel if I don't like it. That's just how it is, right? But if I like it, which majority of them I do, damn right I'll support you. And I'll support any of you guys, right? That's what we're here for. I'm doing this. I'm supporting you guys right now in the market. So we're getting this wave here. Okay, it's better than sharp peaks. Okay, so we get a W forming here, which is a good sign. We've gone down a bit, which it is what it is, right? So if it goes any lower, like I said, people are going to start buying like crazy, and that's not a good sign. You have to remember this thing's like an elastic band, okay? Like a big elastic band. It's just getting tighter and tighter, and it's going to snap. And when it snaps, that's when the squeeze goes, okay, guys? We got so much tension on that band, and it keeps on going like this. That's why you'll see the algorithms on the stock go like this, okay? And it's also from frequency trading on their behalf, too. Like, this is why that's a levitating stuff. That's them screwing around with the stock, right? Okay, I just want to check let's check our scanner here. I'm just going to check this stock scanner to see what's going on with the stocks. Oh, here, I'm not on the right one. Everything's going up. BlackBerry's up. Okay, I'm going to go through the stocks here. I usually do. Okay, so we're going to start with costs. Cost is up quite a bit, actually, for that stock. They don't have that much stock, actually. Like, when I say stock, their float is at $17.62. They are up 5.19 in the green, which is good for costs. GME. Okay, GME is, pardon my language, is at $153. Oh, $52.99. It's all over the place. They're 4.16 in the green, which is beautiful stuff. These two run in tandem, right? Look at, we're at 6. It used to be before, it used to be GME. It would always be up in front a couple percent. AMC was behind. It's reversed, but they do run together. Wow. Suncor Energy just went up. It was in the red when we were talking about it. It's $24.56. That is our energy sector up in Canada here. 2.7 or 76%. I'm in large on that one. Okay, this other company is called BS. Funny name. They make lithium batteries. I've lost about $5,000 on this. I'm down large money on this. If it was me, I would stay away from this. I caught it in the hype of a Reddit squeeze. And that's one of the stocks I've lost money on. Okay, I'm about 20 grand down on in my stocks, but I'm up a lot too, right? And I'm always very transparent on that. That's what I bought after hours. That's what I'm like. It's not good. That's how I learned. I did it 3 times. I got stung 3 times. Okay, I got myself out of a couple pickles, but I'm still waiting for those to go back up. Okay, Loop Energy, which is that hydro fuel company. Okay, they make fuel cells out of water. Okay, they're literally down the road from my house. They're at $5.69. They did start at $17. They're down this low right now. They're a decent sized company. They're growing pretty big. Over in the UK, bought a bunch of buses off them, so I think that's why this stock has gone up a bit. Ooh, this is a good one. AC, Air Canada, was in the red this morning. It is at $24.62. This is about 40-50% off right now. They do not pay a dividend. Air Canada, you can't just buy that stock, okay? Now it's COVID, a lot of people have sold it, and now you can buy it. But it does come to a time when they're doing good, is there's no stock for sale, okay? They won't sell you it, okay? It's very privileged to own that stuff. Okay. And I own about $5,000 worth of that, and I'm going to double down on it. I feel very safe, and I do support my country's aviation sector because I do flying, right? So this is a marijuana stock, man. We love this stock. So, anyways, Canada Growth is at $18.99. It's at 3.88, which is awesome. And then we got SNDL Growers, ticker symbol SNDL. SNDL Growers out of Canada, Alberta province is at 80 cents. We're at 2.91 in the green. Visions Lithium out of Quebec, Canada. This is the one that I got stung on too. Okay, it is down. I bought it like at 50 cents. It's down to 12 cents. Okay, that's my second one that I got stung on. Remember, I got stung on 3. Okay, it is up 4.35. I'm about 85% down on my money on that one. Okay, so, and then we got MVIS is up 21%. Wow. This is good. These guys need it. Kat, are you still on there? Are you still on there, Kat? Hello, are you in there, Kat? Wow, good. There's a lot of people that own this. Fuse Cobalt is down. I'm down like fuck. I bought $5,000 worth. I'm down like $499.99. Yeah, not good. I should have listened to it. It's sponsored by the government. I should have stayed away from it. But it is what it is. That was pumped on a meme stock run up here in Canada, and it is what it is. And I bought it. I got stung. Double whammy on that. It was it was a Reddit squeeze stock, which is what it went down like a knife. But to top it off, I bought it after hours, so I got double hit on it. And that's my 3 that I did bad on, man. The rest I just rock, right? And I've recovered that money 30 times over on some. I'm paper handing. I do hate paper hand stocks, okay? And I'll teach you guys how to, or show you guys. I don't teach anything because I'm not a trader. I'm a trader, but I'm not licensed, so I can't really say that I can teach you. And I don't have a teacher's license, but I can show you what I do. We'll get into that further down the road. Like I said, go into my playlist and look at stock chart reading, and I will show you in there what I do. Okay, so BlackBerry, which I'm very good company. This will surpass Tesla in the next couple years, or be very close. I know that. They're very under they do not do cell phones anymore. But they do have some good encryption software. BlackBerry in Canada, it's from Quebec, Canada. I don't know, a lot of people don't know that. They think it's from the States. It's not. BlackBerry owns 80% of all the clusters in your dash of your car. BlackBerry is the one that makes that in your cars, in your newer cars, okay? It's called Q something, Q2 2.0. Okay, Volvo Industries, the Volvo, you know those Volvo mining trucks, all those big trucks, they went partners a couple months ago with BlackBerry. They're going to have a main hub in the mines now, and they're going to have these trucks running around with no people in them, dumping loads of dirt and ore and gold and all that kind of stuff. Whatever a mine uses, molten metal, all that kind of stuff. Okay, they've already got the software. They're already producing it. It's already on the go. So that is what happens. All it will need is a central hub, and they can control a whole army, a whole fleet of vehicles to work for them. Okay, and it also has BlackBerry cybersecurity. They're one of the leaders in malware to prevent malware attacks. Plus, The pension plan in Canada has signed a contract for their security. Plus, unemployment insurance just signed a contract in Canada. I do not know why it's sitting at $12.70. I have no... Oh, yeah, you're on here, Kat. Okay. Good girl. I need MVIS above 20. Okay. Let's do this for Kat today. I know it's been doing... Well, you don't have much more to go. If it went up... Oh, yeah, it would have to go up another... It would have to go up. It would have to go about 80%. Oh, their earnings is out. That's what's going on here, Kat. Okay, so, and then we're into crypto. I'm not going to go through crypto that much, man. It's all a negative. Oh, no, Ethereum. Oh, no, I'll go through it. I might as well. Okay, Dogecoin is at 0.1996. It's negative 0.30 right now. The good old Bitcoin, the main one, is 39,268, and it is negative 0.37. Ethereum is at 2,788.98. It is at positive 2.85. Don't be fooled by that positive symbol. Okay. That's about that. I'm going to jump over to, let's see what AMC's up, back up to 8 again. Ooh, look at this. Yep, we got a W. There you go. We got a W that formed, guys. So that is very very bullish. Okay, with a W forming. Okay, I'm just gonna go through some chats here for you guys. I have BB. Well, you're Canadian, of course you do. I'm just joking. But yeah, BB is really good. BB's really good. I love BlackBerry. BlackBerry is awesome. They are close to your home. They're just actually one province over. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, BlackBerry is very underrated right now. When I cash out on my AMC, I'm gonna be buying $100,000, $50,000 to $100,000 of BlackBerry, for sure. Because I can see that stock in the next 3 or 4 years being about 100 plus, right? Almost guaranteeing that. Okay, they're head to head with Tesla right now in the smart car aspects, and they're smarter in a lot of ways than Tesla, right? See, BlackBerry used to have the best security on their BlackBerries. Remember that you could never crack. Yeah, ladies, I hope you have. Jen, do you have MVIS too? I know I want MVIS to rock for you guys. I really do. It's up $21.2% right now. Yeah, the people that are behind on these stocks, I really want to see you get ahead. And I can't tell you what to do, but you know what to do when you get to your target, right? If there's no squeeze in sight, and you know you've never heard of squeeze, I can't tell you what to do, but you guys know what to do, right? Okay. Connor, how you doing, brother? GT, is that the ticker symbol? Let's check it out. GT right here. Yeah. 11.09. Is that the right one? It is. It's at 4.23 in the green. It's not trading that much volume though, which is fine, right? Smaller company. Oh yeah, really small company. Only has 20 million shares. Wow, that's ready. That's set up for a squeeze here. What the hell? Yeah, this is set up. Yeah, not a problem. And this is set up for, hey, was this a meme stock, or is this, I'm not a meme stock, but was this ever targeted by Reddit? Was this thing ever squeezed before or pumped? Oh yeah, it was pumped. No, that's not a pump. That's not a pump. Let's see. What was the highest it was up to? Just hang on. Let me do some diagnostic on this. It was up to $19. Okay, it was low too. Okay, I see what's going on here. It was pumped a bit. Okay, did you obviously own on this, right? Wow, sporadic volume on this. This would be easy to squeeze this stock. Looks like they've already tried doing something with it. There you go, my friend. I really can't tell you that much about it. I don't know that much about it. I'm just going to take a day hike here. 19. It's been bleeding since that. It's on a bleed right now. Over a long time though. June, July. Oh yeah, it was. Yeah. Oh, I know. Ladies, it's okay if you cheer for it. It's all good. Yeah. No, not a problem. Not a problem. They have the cure for cancer. Oh, really? Okay, I don't know about Reddit Pump. I was just asking. No. That was over news then. That's why it was at $19. I never heard anything on Reddit. Connor, that's good. I'm going to leave that up there. I'm going to hit that on my save to screener list. Stock screener list. So that's what it was. Some good news came out up here. That's what that was. Okay. I was just wondering if you knew more about it. Oh. We just got hammered with Reddit now. 5 upvotes, just like that. That could be you guys doing that. I'm just joking. But yeah, we're pretty big in the Reddit community here. I don't go on Reddit that much. I just promote my channel on there, really. Right? I'm not one of these hardcore Reddit. I'm a YouTuber, right? I'm a tuber, man. But I just use the platform to do my promoting my company on, guys. Except with Wall Street Breakers, right? Oh, they had an awesome, the CEO did a wonderful interview. Okay, a month ago, that's exactly what I was seeing. Exactly 1 month ago, it went up to $19. Okay, there it was over news. And you guys, if you watch news too, and it's good news, if you watch a news program, sometimes that's a lot of guys that day trade, that's what they do. First, they'll get up in the morning, 4 or 5, and they'll put the early news on. And if there's some good news happening, like for instance, not BlackBerry, I wouldn't use that for an example because it was attacked with the meme thing right now. It's going through its own issues right now. It will go up though, in my opinion, right? Because of the good news, right? Yeah, Kat's coming to us to Mexico. Kat's coming with us, for sure. She really wants to anyways. And no, Kat, I don't have the date yet. And we have to wait. This variant's ripping through the States and through Mexico. And it's coming, it's in Alberta and our country too. It's coming up everywhere and it's not a good sign, man. Not a good sign at all. So what talk to me, guys. Hey, what's up, brother? How you doing? Yo. I checked out your we were just talking about creators. Here's another creator that just came on. He has his own YouTube channel. Guys, go check it out. You didn't send me an email, my friend, with your link. We're doing good this morning. We're doing awesome this morning. You might want to go back. We covered dividend stocks, Brendan. You might want to go back and watch this later today or whenever you have time, right? You might want to watch it from beginning to end until you just got on because we were asking those questions yesterday. I said in the morning I would cover dividend stocks. We covered a lot of good stuff. Okay, it's very educational because you were asking those questions, right? And I did go check out Buddy's channel on his cooking channel, and it's really, really not much on your channel. No, it's okay. It's okay, my friend. You just got to put your nose down to the grindstone. Hit that algorithm. It's all good. You're down to go to Tulum? Yeah? Yeah, not a problem. Whatever, dude. We can rent a boat and do shit like that down there. I usually go for 2 weeks, right? So what we'll sting at the Prince Palais. We'll stay there again. That's where I stayed before. And we get VIP service there for free. We don't have to pay for it. We just pay for the normal stuff. When you walk through the door, bus to the right, and they'll try selling you stuff. Just go, yeah, we'll go listen to your seminar, and they'll put you in the best rooms there. We'll go to the seminar for an hour. They feed you a high breakfast, and then just ignore them for the rest of the trip. That's what I always do. I always take... I know, damn virus, I know. I sound like I got it. So I'm just joking. I've been vaccinated. So anyways, or else I wouldn't be able to travel. That's the only reason why I did it. But yeah, that's holding us back from traveling for sure. Or else, well, it's too hot to go down there right now. Hope my channel blows up. Well, thank you, brother. In 2 days, it's doubled. Okay. Oh no, 3 days, it's almost doubled. My channel. Just so you know, 3 days, it's almost doubled in 3 days. There's a bunch of good people on here, man. Like seriously. And thank you once again. And you're one of the new subs. Kat knows what it was at before and stuff. And I know I got some of the better content out there. It's just you're a creator too. It's just hitting that algorithm on YouTube. Once you hit it, it goes right. It's just hitting it right. And like you said, I'm a new channel. Like it's just I started from like 3 subs. Right. A lot of these people that are big companies and stuff, they have companies backing them before they even start a channel, or they'll have like tons and tons of videos already made. See, the thing with stock market is once the video's done, within 3 days it's old news. It's not even, some of them, unless it's an educational video attached to it, it's not even worth watching because the stock price has already changed. Do you know what I'm saying? So it's you have to be very on it. It's a full-time grind, and to get the good content out there and stuff. That's why I spend a lot of hours. That's why sometimes you'll see me on at 2 a.m. sometimes. But it's all good, guys. So what else do you want to talk about, my friends? Ben, how you doing? Did you? You bought it in the dip? Good for you. Good for you. Oh, you're holding 24 GME? Wow. Good. That's pretty good, man. And 272 AMC. Hey, don't justify it's not a lot, man. Don't it's not about that. It's not about that. It's not about that, my friend. If you own 2 stocks, you're welcome to the channel. It's all good. You don't have, even if you don't own stocks on here, welcome to the channel. There's some people on here that don't own any of the stocks. They're just trying to learn before they get into the stock market, and those are smart people, right? It's better than getting stung and then learning that way. I got stung. I learned the hard way, and I think a lot of us have. Joe, you tried a bit last year. I tried a bit last year. The hunting channel would be pretty good, man. That's pretty cool. I'd watch that. It takes, guys, I'll tell you the trick right now. It takes about 170 to 100 videos before you hit that algorithm. You got to keep on hammering, okay? You got to keep on, oops, what's going on here? Just hang on, guys. There we go. I got back on the 1 minute here. Here, I'll put the screen back up here. You guys should have said something. You guys are too polite. We're hitting that trend line here again. Well, it's a support line now. It was our line of resistance, but it's a support line right now, but it might turn into a line of resistance. There we go. It's banging off that. Oh. See, it's trying. See that line? How it's playing with that line there? And that's not a line that every other channel has. That's my line. I did DD. I did a lot of due diligence, and I did some research to put that line there. There you go. There you go. It might break through it. I hope not. But yeah, it's having problems there. Which is good. What is that set at? That's $31.17. It's a little bit higher than, no, it banged off it. I think we still might finish in the green though. They are trying to push us down again. They're ladder attacked us. That's what this is, a ladder attack. 100%. There's no way that all of a sudden it went through like this. We're doing good. More people would have bought in on this push, right? It's called FOMO. And it was, I've done it where you buy in on a push, and then all of a sudden we got a ladder attack because this is a bullish sign, okay? And then it went bearish. So there's no way. If it breaks, I buy a few more. Yeah, no doubt, eh? But we're up to 31 bucks again, right? Which isn't bad. It's not bad. Consistency is better than going up high and then crashing, right? I'm just gonna read some of your guys' messages here. Very hard and apparently very controversial. It is the channel. Yes, you gotta watch what you're. Well, at first, before you get above a certain amount of subs and gain confidence, yes, you can get your channel crushed. When I put a couple of videos out on some stuff that has now come true, about what was it about? There's a bunch of them. Because I'm very direct on stuff. Oh yeah, man, I lost like so many subs when I first started. I went down to like nothing again, like twice. And then all of a sudden the news came to light. The people that dissed me came back and apologized. Oh, can I join your channel? Please don't kick me off. You were right 100%. I think it was over the computers getting seized by Citadel and Vlad's phone getting seized by the FBI. That was one of them I got really hit on. And then 2 weeks later, it was true, right? That he got caught with dark pool information on his phone, right? It was all over the news. And then all of a sudden, some people apologized for that. And I said, well, guys, and then it is what it is. I'm just replying to your comment there. It is a very hard grind, YouTube, guys. You merge with a larger channel and we do better, 600 subs or so, but it's seasonal. Hey, it's all good, man. It's all good. Like I said, send your links to this right here, and any of you guys can talk to me on this, okay? This is just, it's all on my channel. Just hang on. There you go. There's my email. Any creators, you guys creators, and if your channel, I can't guarantee I'll put it up there, but if it's good content, I will support you. Okay? Oh, you got. Oh, okay. Never mind. Oh, thank you. Oh, Connor. Something happened, man. Your message, something messed up on there. Yeah, there's nobody selling right now, man. There's nobody selling. Why would you sell right now? That's crazy. It's only at $31. It's all BS. Yeah, it's that pit in your feeling, Kat. Me and Kat have actually really talked about this. Your stomach gets all tight and you feel sick about when prices drop and all that stuff. That's what they're psychologically. They have psychologists that know how to fuck with these. Sorry, I got to stop swearing. That screw around with these lines and stuff. They know that if you keep on doing this, they're gonna lose a substantial amount of people. That's why I'm on here and trying to show you what I go through mentally. Right, and say it's okay. Like, just if you can afford and you're not paying interest on this, just kick back. Who cares? Get away from the screen and don't line watch. Come watch the videos and stuff and just hang out. Okay? On red days, we just chill out here, man, and just sometimes we'll shut the screen right off and we'll just sit here and talk about stuff. Oh, thanks, Connor. No, it's all okay. It's all good. Kat, hit over 1,000 subs. Have you looked at my sub count? Go look at my sub count right now. That just happened in 2 days. Kat knows me when I was a small channel. She hasn't really. I don't think she hasn't looked at my my thing yet. Not that I'm bragging. There's no bragging involved in this, guys. I work my ass off, and I'm not bragging at all. because it's very small still. We are like nothing. I'm just saying that because I'm talking about other creators on here, I'm trying to give them insight into, and they're not the only ones having issues trying to get recognized. It takes a lot. That's all I'm trying to say. And I'm still nothing. Swing traders. Ooh, that's bad. Yeah, you don't want to. Yeah, Kat, tell me what you think. So I don't even know what it is now. It keeps on going up by the minute and down too, and it fluctuates, right? Guys, I gotta take a 2-minute break here. I'm just gonna go reload on some coffee and get some water and stuff. It's up to you if you want to hang out. I'm gonna be about 2-3 minutes, and I'll be back. You guys just talk on the chat bar to each other. Get to know each other, man. You're all good people. Okay. Okay. Right on. Thanks, guys, for hanging out. Okay. Just going to go back and read your messages. We hold it down. Yeah, that's right, Connor. Ben. Oh, you got in the 40s when it came down? That's pretty good. The 40 is a good number, man. I was sitting at $14 when it was at 6 when I went down, and I was like, oh my god, you know what I mean? It has to go up like 300% just so I can get my money back. I'm like, oh my god, that's so much. It doesn't take much, man. It did it in one day, within hours. Okay. Hide before he comes back. You guys are hilarious. O'Connor, you're funny. Oh, thanks, Kat. Thanks, Kat. I don't even know what it's at right now. I did hit the algo. I know. I did. Thank you. I bought it on the way up. Okay, yeah, but I bought it on the way up and it screwed me. It did? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, my friend. Ben, it's okay. Relax. I was in the same category as you. You have to think, I've lost $100,000, dude. Seriously, I've lost $100,000. When my wife told me to cash out when I was at $70 or $69, I could have cashed it all out like that and made $100,000. No, 100 more than that. $120,000 I could have made. Okay? I didn't sell. Not one share. And I look at it every day going down. $10 to $5 chunks. Every day I watch it go down $5 or $10,000. I'll show you guys something because I'm very transparent on this channel. Let's check my bank account or my account out, my trader's account. I just got to block my information. I'm down to $53,000. There you guys go. I don't know if you can see that. But there you go. I'm down to $53,000 from $120,000. There you go. Very transparent. But I've made $3,700. That's not just on AMC. Just today, I've made $3,717 on all my other stocks, including AMC. What? I just got an award on Reddit. A post award. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow, never had that before. What the hell is that? Guys, I just got to read this. A post award. I got an award on Reddit, guys, for posting something. Sorry, guys. Just give me a second here. I'm speechless. You know, that's like getting a Purple Heart, man, of bravery. Like that. You know how hard that is to get. Holy crap. I'm like speechless. Wow. The actual company Reddit. Wow. Okay, guys, I'll get off of this. I'm sorry for that. I'm very sorry for that. I didn't want to ignore that. What's my YouTube channel? Okay, guys. I'm just going to say, can we chat in a few or come on live now on my... Okay, we're going to have somebody from Reddit come on there, guys, right now. Wow, crazy stuff. Okay, thanks for guys just chatting and chilling out. I had some business to take care of. And Kat, I wanted to talk to you about some stuff because you're an OG on the channel too. And I just got proposed by a blockchain company to do some... There, we just got a message again from the guy. So we're going to have a guest coming on here in a couple seconds. As soon as he finds the channel. Oh, thanks, Robert. Thanks, brother. Thanks. Not a problem, my friend. Not a problem. So, anyways, we're going to have a special guest coming on here onto the chat bar in a couple seconds here from Reddit. He is head of the Reddit community. He just picked my our channel out this morning because of all the feedback it got, and he just gave me an award. So we got this prestigious award on Reddit. It's a creators award. So anyways, it'll take him a while to find the channel and all that stuff because I didn't want to put you guys on hold too long by pasting links and stuff. So I just gave him the name of it. Hopefully he finds it. So anyways, I'll just read some of your messages here. You're down 15K. Yeah, it sucks. It does suck, free. Like I sent him down 100 freaking grand, man. That's enough to buy a house. You're down 25 grand. See, we all have our stories, but the stories are going to change from this type of story into a different type of story, which is going to be very, very awesome. And when we start making the video, what I'm going to do is we're going to have to go on to like Zoom and do some Zooms together. And then once I make the video, you guys can all download it for your personal use. It'll be you guys on the channel live talking to me. And we're going to make it, and we're going to put some cool background and stuff in there, stock market background and stuff. And we're going to be doing it. When we're in Mexico, we'll be taking pictures of us in Mexico. It might take a year to do the video to 8 months, but it's going to be awesome stuff, guys. It'll be all of you guys. It will be the subs. It will be doing different stuff, out quadding, out doing different stuff than sitting here on the computer. Okay, there'll be some of that, but it's going to be a pretty cool video. So yeah, guys, I'm just going to read your message. Ben at Cat. Yep. I was last month late in the highlight. I was buying 40.50 thinking it was going to break 70 again. Then it fell and beat the dips. Congrats to everybody who got in early. Yeah, thank you, Ben. It is what it is. I can't really say that much to it, but you're doing a good thing. It's going to pay off. You guys know that, right? Oh, somebody is honk going by my house. It must be somebody I know. That's what they do. That's our greeting. Instead of waving, like whatever, we do honks by each other's house when one of our friends cruise by. I'm just looking up some stuff here. So what's everything doing? AMC is at $31.13. We're 4.32% in the green still, guys. We're still rocking it. We're still rocking it, guys. Okay, I was just checking out here. What else do we got? What's your microvision doing? It's banging around 20% in the green still there, Cat. Yeah, everything's doing a good climb up. Definitely good. The market had a correction and it's corrected itself. We don't know how long that's going to last. Hey, was there any news for SERB? Was there any new SERB checks coming out, guys, in the States or anything? Any news like that? Did you guys get anything out there like that? I'm just curious because we didn't have, we're done. I think Cat, we're done. I don't know. Yeah, you wouldn't know either because I don't collect. We call it SERB up here, not stimulus money. But that would make a good cause of why things went up today for sure. I enjoyed this live. Jory, you out of here, buddy? Yeah, not a problem, buddy. We're usually on here every day. Except I'm going on vacation for the rest of the week. I'm leaving today. Where is everybody from? I'm from Vancouver, Canada. I'll start off. Ben just asked you guys all where you're from. Let's do a roll call here. But I won't be, today's my last day for morning pre-market, guys, until Monday morning. I'll be here for the earnings call for AMC, okay? Wow. That's awesome, guys. That's pretty cool stuff. Louisiana, California. Wow. This is awesome to see, guys. You guys made my day, man, by looking at this. This makes this all worthwhile for me. Little things like this. The UK? Ben, congrats. Welcome. Well, that's a long ways away, my friend. That's why you asked. Welcome to the channel, Ben. I haven't seen you on here before. And Front Runner, welcome to the channel. You're our first sub from the UK, as far as I know. Awesome, awesome, Ben. We're getting another push here on AMC, guys. 5.63. Look at that. That's a buy-in signal right there. Right there. Ben, how'd you find the channel? How'd you find to 26? Will it drop? Not today, my friend. No, it won't go to 26 today if that's what you meant. Carl, welcome to the channel, brother. I don't think I've seen you on here before. Welcome, bro. Ben, I have a weird question to ask you. Well, not that weird. How'd you find the channel in the UK? I'm very curious. Like, did it just come up on when you click onto YouTube? Did it just come up on YouTube, or did you have to search under stocks? I'm just curious, right? Because I think we all are curious on here. The volume does look strong, my friend. We got a lot of volume coming in, actually. It's been pretty stale. We got more volume than usual. It could be better, but I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining at all. Carl, are you the one on Reddit that I was talking to? Australia. How did you guys... Okay, the guys overseas and stuff. How'd you find the channel? I'm very curious. Did you just like when you click on YouTube? Did you find it through YouTube? Like, explain how you found it on YouTube. We're all curious on this. I'm just curious how YouTube works because there's very limited information on that. Or if it's maybe you didn't find me through YouTube. Oh, Austria. Okay, sorry, Austria. Okay, sorry, brother. Sorry. Venya. Well, that's the... Wow. No kangaroos. Good sense of humor, brother. But Mozart. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool, man. Good history. Andy's got the same sense of humor as us. Uh-oh. This is good. Okay, that video made it over there. Okay. Yeah, a buddy of mine said that didn't even know. He goes, "Hey, Cam." He's like, dude, your video was like on the top page of YouTube today. I'm like, no, me? No. And he goes, no, man. He screenshot it and he goes, it's on the top page. When I clicked on YouTube, your video, and I'm not even subscribed to your channel. So he got a hold of me on Facebook, and he's a sub now. Yeah, and it's beautiful. It is, Kat. It is very beautiful there. Oh, you have been to the castle? So, I'm just going to go back into... Cool. That's good to know. That's good to know. I must have hit the algorithm then. Is that what Matt Coors is talking to Payne on Fox later? Might be a catalyst. Yeah. Good for Matt. Good for Matt. Oh, yes. We're at 6% again. We're just cracking off a 6 here. Okay, $31.60 right across the 61 cents right across the board, guys. Okay, I'm going to go through the stocks again here, guys. I'm going to go through our list of on stuff, and if you want me to cover anything else that you can think of that you are interested in or want to know about, just hit the chat bar. Okay, I'm going to start. We're going to start with costs. Is at $17.30. They're now at 3.26 in the green. GME, GameStop. Okay, we're at $153.97. It just went up as I was saying it. We are at 4.77% in the green. Yes. And then good old AMC. We're actually went up even higher since I started broadcasting it now. $31.74. We are at 6.1 or 6.43% in the green. Suncor Energy out of Canada. Alberta, which would be $24.62. We're at 2.91% in the green right now. And we are going to cover Air Canada. Is at $24.74. We are in the green at 2.74%. Sundial Growers, we are at 0.81%, or sorry, 0.81 cents. And We're at 4.67% on that one. Another marijuana stock, cannabis stock, is Canopy Growth, ticker symbol CGC. They're having their earnings today. That's why it's up. Oh, there's not today. Sorry, there's an earnings coming up. And it is $19.09. They're at 4.43% in the green right now. And then we got MVIS. Microvision is at $14.48 right now. It is at 18.49%. Okay, we're going to get into our crypto here. Oops, sorry guys, I put that back on there. Okay, crypto is at Dogecoin is at 0.19, which is 19 cents. It is negative 0.92. Okay, good old Bitcoin, the master of coins, is at $38,820. It is in the negative now at 1.45. Ethereum coin is at $2,759, and it is at plus, in the green, 1.70. What is the price of Tesla? Tesla, musky pants. Okay, Tesla. Tesla's having a bit of a run here. Going from Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, is at $720.64. They're in the green, 1.35%. They did a recovery from the red into the green. They went from $717 in the last hour, actually 45 minutes, have gone up to $119, $120 roughly. So it climbed a couple, $3 in the last hour, but we're having a bit of a sell-off right now, or attack. We don't know if it's a sell-off. I hate that saying that. They're getting attacked, or they're getting a drive down right now. So you have to think this stock is hedged big time. We all know that. Okay, you guys are out. What is the price of Thene? I don't know what that is, my friends. Didn't somebody just ask what the price of Tesla was, or am I losing my mind? THETA? Never heard of that. Is that a gold mine? Is that what that is? Correct me on that one, guys, if it's the wrong. If that's what it is, it's not doing good. It's down 28.99. It's 12 cents. Is that what you were asking? Tethena price? I don't know, man. Never heard of it before. If that's what you're... Oh, Tethena coin. What is... Okay. Never heard of that one, my friend. This might not bring it up here, man. Nah, it's not even coming up here. Nope. This chart won't show it. It won't show it, Ben. Sorry. T-Feel. I can do that. I'll try that one. Where are these? Are these foreign stocks, or are these out of the... What exchange are these off? Are these off the Toronto Stock Exchange or the New York Stock Exchange? Because this chart only covers those two, right? No, it's not covering it, my friend. Those stocks are not covered on this. No, it's not covered. Those are foreign stocks, right? We don't get that stuff on these charts, my friend, on this scanner. I'm sorry about that. Did you just send me an email? Okay, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Oh. I'll read it in a bit. I usually go through all my emails. I'll go for it before I go camping this afternoon. I'll go through it all. Yeah, buddy. We only cover stocks that are Canadian or American, that are initiated from there. Obviously, the ones from the UK, but they're initially from those stock exchanges. Yeah, dog hair all over me from my dogs. I was petting them before I came in here. Yeah, okay. Cool, though, but at least you educated us on some new coin. I've never ever heard of that before. What does it usually trade for, Ben? Your crypto there. Athena. Thena. Yeah, I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. I should read it now? Okay, guys. Mr. Wagner wants me to read an email here, so privately? Is that what okay, give me a second here. So I guess we're taking a break, guys. I'll put this back on AMC for you. There you guys go. I'll blow this up so you can see it. Okay, margin calls. Today's volume, 11%. That's kind of different, eh? Short. Initial short per contract, 300 and market value. It's kind of different, eh? Tell me what your take is on this. It's just a chart, guys. I'm not keeping anything from you here. It's a call option chart. 100 call. Yeah, buddy, that's why we don't cover options on here. It's very, very, we're speaking for Mr. Wagner here. It's up to you. You can explain. I'll let you explain to if you want to, but I can just sum it up right now. It's just all call option chart he's showing. I can't cut and paste it on there onto the chat bar. I can't do it. The computer won't let me do it. I've tried it in the past. It's just about, it's all good. It's all good, man. Don't worry about it. Things will turn around for you. But yeah, he can explain that. It's up to him. I'll let you talk about it if you want. So anyways, okay. I have a look. Okay, Athena's at $6.43. US T fuel is at 31 cents. Oh, that fuel company at 31 cents could go up, man. That could be pretty good, eh? Because usually fuel right now, UST fuel, is that aviation fuel? I'm just curious on that. Or is that Tyrannosaurus Rex fuel? I'm just being stupid. I know I'll get Andy to laugh on that one. You'll get our sense of humor here in a bit. DJ, what's up, brother? How you doing? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back. We need to stay glued to the line 24/7. It's all good, my friends. I get data out there. Don't worry about it. I got it all set up. I got your backs. I got all the thumbnails and all the podcasts already done for the squeeze. Well, you'll get your note as long as you have your notification bells on, you'll get it. US is the currency? Oh, okay. It would. EMAC, if that's what they were trying to do with GME. If AMC did a dividend, it would roast them all. It would show everything and the government would frigging shit their pants. They would be so cracking down, and jail time would actually be flying out then. They would be getting sentenced to jail because that's fraud. That's a federal offense. And I don't know what it carries in the States, but up here it's a 7 to 15-year sentence for first offense in Canada. So yes, that's what they wanted to do with GME, and that would have kicked a squeeze for sure. He won't do that right now because you never know. He won't do that right now. They're not making enough money yet, but they have had dividend in the past. It was 83 cents on the share. They've had it in the free past, but they had it before COVID, I'm pretty sure, or just a couple of years before COVID, but they pulled it off the table because of obviously earnings, right? So anyways, JT, so yeah, back to what I was saying. It's all good, man. I have data out there, man. I would not go away from data without the stock market. Come on, guys. I just can't post videos because I'm off my phone data, right? But I'm only gone for 2 days, or I'm going to the Monday. I'll be back Monday morning. It's all good. It's all good. I got you guys covered. I've gone camping before in the past. I've gone for 2 weeks before, and I communicated with you guys out there. I've shot bush camping videos, all that kind of stuff. It's only 24 kilometers from my house. Oh, just so you know, okay? It's only 24 kilometers. I do live in the mountains. My RV's already up there. My daughter was just up there. She was up there for 4 days. Now, my mom's up there today. She went up last night. And we're just going to go up and join her. Wagner has some education here for you guys. If you want to read his chat post. He has a YOLO here for you. Yeah, I'm not laughing at you. I'm not laughing at you, my friend. Okay, this is a learning curve on options. This is what I tried telling you guys, and I can't, because of the laws, I can't. That's what I have to say. If it was me, I wouldn't do it. But this is a perfect example, okay? And he has the balls to come on here and tell you guys to help out the channel, okay? He's like me. He would. I show you my embarrassed, and you shouldn't be embarrassed, my friend. It's called learning, and you can earn that back. I don't know how many shares you have, but you're smart enough to figure it out, my friend, and just stay glued to the channel. Like, you know what I mean? Have your bell turned on, man, because you're out of all people, you should be right on this. Yeah, so this is for educational for all. Read his chat. Okay, and this isn't bullshit. Why would he come on here and talk about? I did see the documentation. It's real. It's real. That's what I was looking at in the email. But out of his privacy stuff, I wanted him to tell people. So, give him thumbs up, man, for having the balls. And sorry, ladies, for talking like that, because there's ladies on the channel too, women actually. Sorry, but everybody on here. There's 26 people on here. I would like to see 26 thumbs up, man, for him coming on here and explaining that and showing us what can happen, okay? Doing option trading. Did you look at those numbers he put in? $480,000, $500,000 was lost just like that, okay? So that is a very respectable kind of guy. That's what the channel is about. He's trying to help us out, okay? And just show newer people what can happen, okay? Thank you, Andrew. Solid move, man. Thank you. Here, I'll even do it too. I'm going to do some here too, guys. If I can find the thumbs up. Where's my thumbs up guy? Where's my thumbs up? It's not working. There it is. There you go. That's from me, man. Thank you. That's my thumbs up for showing it to us, man. Why can't this stupid thing to turn off? So, anyways, that was your education from that. You'll recover it, my friend. Yeah. So, yeah, my story of going... You guys, if you're worried about your money and stuff and going down, there you go. And he's still in here and he's still facing it head on. Okay? So, don't worry. Okay? I shouldn't say don't worry because that's the wrong word. Have faith. Have faith in yourself. Okay? He's still here facing the devil. Okay? That's the devil. Okay? And he's still facing it. So, yeah, I know. But, hey, it's all good. It's all good. Don't make him feel bad. He already feels bad enough. But he's doing the right thing. And very good man. He's a bigger man than most people I know. Okay? By just coming on there and sharing that. And that's to educate us. Okay? That's not to make him feel sorry for him. I know that. Trust me. Wrong type of person. I can tell by his thing. That is for right on. Good attitude, Wagner. So anyways, guys, let's talk about something more enlightening. So what's everybody buying with their money when they get paid? Let's talk about that. I don't want to hear Lambos. I'm just joking. If you really want to buy that, you can, but I'll start off. I'm buying Dividend Stocks, and then I'm going to, like I said, everything's already paid off for me. So, for Lightning, that's cool. Pilot? Plot? Sorry. Cousin and Hooked. I'm going to buy some BlackBerry. I'm going to buy a bunch of Dividend Stocks. I'm going to, I'm probably going to get myself I might buy myself a newer truck. I don't think I'll buy brand new because I'm just like that. I'll probably buy 6 months old like I did with my last truck. Spelling wrong. That's what I spelled wrong. That wrong. What'd you say? And Hooked. Oh, I thought you were going to say Cousin and Hookers. I thought that's what I was like, what? It's all good, my friend. It's all good. I spell like shit sometimes too by accident. I can't this fucking chat bar thing to come off here. Oh, cocaine and hookers. Oh, yeah. I knew you were trying to say that. I know you're totally joking, my friend. Oh, Kat, that's a good one. Support my mom and buy her a place if I can. Mortgage free would be nice. I know, guys. It's going to come to us. It'll come to us. Yeah, I'm going to donate some money too. The OGs on the channel know that what my plans are. I'll go over it again. I'm into the Animal Society. As you know, I have 2 dogs. And I'm going to donate a truck, a whole bed of truck, like the whole back box of my truck with dog food. And I'm going to be doing it live stream. I'm going to be going down to the local, not SPCA. I'm going to a non-funded, one of those animal societies that need the money, like really need the money. And we're going to go there and we're going to give half to one place. We're going to do 2 different places. We're going to empty half the truck. I want to see the look on their faces when I pull in with my truck. box just loaded with bags of dog food and cases of animal food. And we're going to do it on my GoPro. We're going to do it live, and we're going to blast it on the channel here, guys. My wife will probably be filming it for us. Or one of my friends. A flower shop studio would be nice. Oh, hey, that's pretty good. That's a good little business. That's called residual income from that, because a plant can, yeah, that's pretty smart. You're making money out of just seeds. That's so smart. That's a good one, guys. You guys got some good ideas up here. Going to set up a rental properties for my daughter to have when she graduates. Passive income for her to start her own life. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. Passive income with the flower thing. That's what I'm talking. I'm getting a Ram truck. Sweet, brother. That's what I love, Rams. I love Dons. The TX truck is nice. That's a nice truck, guys. You guys got some smart ideas on here. You're not being crazy with it. My wife and I will start up a new program to help single mothers or fathers. Good one, Andrew. Good one, good one. Free. I would love to pay my house and get me a new truck and take your parents for a trip, bro. Don't forget about the parents. That's all good stuff. Good ideas, guys. Those are smart. We got a good group of people here. Very smart. We can, but it's up to you. Just swing trading. Okay, I can do that. I can do that while you guys just tell us the rest of your stuff on here. What you guys are gonna do. FC. Is that Cenex? For a swing trade, please search it on TradingView. On TradingView? Oh, like on my stock screener? What is it? It's coming up as a gold company. There's a whole whack of them, my friend. You're going to have to tell me what it is, like what kind of company it is. I got like 10 different listings here for it. To Congress. Hey, you do better than what's happening now, man. Then you can straighten out this stock market stuff. Ouch. Jeez, ouch. Oh, buddy, if it's from Forex, I can't pull it up on here, man. Sorry. We only have US and Canadian stocks on here. The stock screener doesn't have it. That's why I'm not getting anything on here. I'm sorry, my friend. And we can't switch screeners because I have a whole programming running right now, and it will just I know you're kidding. It would I can't. I'd have to download stuff on my computer and all that stuff. Yeah, we're limited only to 2 countries, my friend. The New York Stock Exchange and the Toronto Stock Exchange. But tell us about your stock, though. I would love to know. We would love to know what it is. What is that stock? Like, what do they do? Is it an oil company, or what is it? And welcome to the channel. I haven't seen you before. No worries, man. You don't have to apologize. No, it's okay. Welcome to the channel, though, my friend. I haven't seen you here before. What kind of stock is it? I'm curious. We're curious what it is, my friend. What time is it? 9:30? Okay, I'll answer a couple more questions and stuff, guys. It's already 9:30. I got to get going here. I got some stuff I got to do. I got to go grocery shopping. I got to buy a couple $100 worth of groceries to take out for a couple days. But it's been a slice. And wow, what a good one. This was a good chat together, guys. Okay, it was a housing finance and development corp. Okay. So that could be some good money in that. That could be some good money. Wow. That's good. There's a lot of that stuff here, like real estate and stuff like that. That's a good one, man. That's a good one. I wish it would have come up because I would love to check it out. Patchy the Pirate, welcome to the channel, my friend. Welcome. It's okay. Sorry to be late. We're just going off air in like 5 minutes. It's all good. We're on at 6:25 in the mornings. Every morning, that Pacific Standard Time, But it is, we're not on for tomorrow and the next day. We're on Monday morning, and AMC has their earnings call, I think in the afternoon. So we will be, you're from India? Cool. You're actually from India broadcasting right now? Oh, that's cool, man. First guy from India, right from India. We have a lot of Indian people here, like around where I live, but not actually broadcasting from India. That's dope. You're the first one on the channel, man. Yeah, you guys all, thank you for subbing. Like all of you new guys. I'm just going off. I know you just got on here. You can go back into the video and you guys can watch it from the beginning if you want. That's the beautiful thing about YouTube. You can go back. We covered a lot of information. There's a lot of stock reading stuff in there that we covered. Like I said, I'm not going to be here for 2 days, but I do got your back. I will be watching. I'll be line watching. I got all my alarms set, all indicators set. I do check the market multiple times a day. And I have 1,000 people also doing it. You know what I mean? So like, trust me, you guys know how to get a hold of me. And what was I saying too is if you didn't get the link for the other channel, the secondary channel that will be monitoring the squeeze when it happens, you might want to get that link. You're going to have to go into the other video and yeah, not a problem, brother. Yeah, thanks for checking out the channel. Hit the sub button, man, and then you always get our notifications. So yeah, guys, for the squeeze, if you're into the squeeze and you want to watch it live 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, the link is in the other, look into my podcast, and it will be in the other channel on uploads into my last video. And you might want to log into that and subscribe to it, and also my Twitter. If you haven't subscribed to my Twitter, in case these channels get taken down by the government because we're onto their tail too high, it happens. We might be into saying some stuff that we shouldn't be saying, or caught onto some information that the hedgies kind of come after us and try to get the channel taken down. We have a way to communicate. Okay, sorry guys, I was just watching AMC right now. We have a way to communicate. Okay, Twitter is the best way, plus the secondary channel. But Twitter, if everything goes down, we have a way that we won't lose contact. Okay, because we want to stay in the group solid, and then we can always build a new channel if something happens. Okay. Anyways, guys, I'm out of here. What if the squeeze happens while I'm away? Well, I'll be doing a broadcast. I already have all the software. Everything's ready to go. If the squeeze happens when I'm 24 kilometers from my house, guys, that's like 20 miles. That's nothing. I have cell service. I have data. I have all that stuff. Don't worry about it. If the squeeze happens, I'll be sending out a notification. The squeeze is happening. Okay, guys? You guys keep it real, and welcome to the Wolf Pack. Okay? Peace.